After court officer?
Yes, madam.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮೊದಲು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರ?
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
165 ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ ನಮ್ದು.
Serial number 135. 135 not for disposal. At end of the list.
Announcement. First Dharwad ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು.
Announcement about matter pertains to Dharwad bench. Bill number 165, Girish Yadav.
Writ petition is allowed. The impugned communication dated 7/7/2021 stands quashed. All consequential actions taken by the respondent on the strength of the impugned communications all stand quashed.
Grateful.
I have held it.
May I seek to go through the order?
More. 2 or 3 will release today.
Please,
This is
please. I was too curious to know. Great.
Sabeel Ahmed.
allowed quashed by the petitioners. It is made clear the observations made in the course of the order is only for the purpose of consideration of the case under section 48 of the CRPC. It would not bind, influence the proceedings, any other proceeding pending between the parties.
Please, my lord. Grateful.
Appear for this one. May I make one submission? Lords? Along with this matter, Lords, there was one more matter.
ಅದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದೇ ಡಿಬಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್.
Yes.
ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
It was connected. Yes.
It was connected. No.
It was connected, my lords. Later on, it was.
No, this was only reserved. That was not like a move ಮಾಡಿ.
That is already disposed of, my lords. Order is not released.
ಹೌದಾ? Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yes.
I didn't know.
168, Shanti Skateva.
Writ petition is allowed. Notification dated 29/10/2025 appointing the third respondent as additional government pleader is obliterated, and the appointment of the petitioner in as such in terms of the order dated 28/10/2025 stands restored. The petitioner shall be entitled to all consequential benefits that would flow from the order. Writ petition is allowed. The order dated 4/11/2025 passed by the respondent stands obliterated. All consequential actions taken to be taken pursuant to the impugned order also shall stand obliterated.
Very grateful, madam.
Yes.
Matter pertains
Release ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಎರಡು that Prashant Kadadevar's and this.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Grateful, grateful.
Bangalore bench.
pertains to principal bench, Bill number 139.
Writ petitions are dismissed.
Grateful, my lord.
Bill number 2, Ajay.
Dismissed.
Bill number 3, Kishan GS.
Writ petition is allowed. The impugned order dated 8/11/2021 stands quashed. The respondents are directed to determine compensation under the provisions of the Right to Fair Compensation, Transparency of Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation Settlement Act, Reassessment Act 2013 and pass necessary orders in accordance with law within 3 months from the date of the receipt of the copy of this order.
Number 4, Harish Kumar.
For the petitioner, my lords.
Writ petition 20910 of 2023 is allowed. Writ petition 5972 of 2023 is rejected. The order of the First Appellate Court in MA 13 of 2022 stands quashed, and the order of the Trial Court in OS 364 of 2021 granting temporary injunction during the subsistence of the suit stands restored. ಎರಡಿದೆ. Writ petitions are allowed. The improved notification 18/6/2014 by the first respondent shows stands quashed. Dismissed. Announcement.
Nandita Gowda. Cell number 7.
Respondent number 2.
What's your name?
My lord, Belinda.
You are the one who's gone and created ruckus in the office there.
Yes, my lord.
Why?
My lord, I had
You don't know the procedure. You don't know why it gets listed before this court only. It's a successive writ petition.
my
If you
lord,
don't know, look into the law declared by the apex court and then go to the office and shout. You're too young to shout, madam.
yes,
You're still budding in the profession and you want to go and create ruckus there?
no, my lord.
Then why did you do it?
My lord, I had no knowledge of
Now,
such.
if you have no knowledge, learn and then learn to talk.
Yes,
Not before you know anything, go and talk. Why should it get listed only before this is non-prisoner? What is all that? Supreme Court has directed successive writs to be placed there, not at the place where you want.
my lord, the reason why
I did appreciate you on the submissions you made on the other day. This is not correct.
yes, my lord, I acknowledge.
This is not correct. I deprecate such things.
Yes, my lord, the
If you have
reason.
no knowledge, get to know what is the problem. Why it is not getting listed. Then make a hue and cry. If it doesn't get listed, then
Yes, my
you
lord.
filed a vacancy application. Hear it. It is as good as hearing the main matter. Then
My lord, my lord, please. My lord, the reason I was
government advocate. Name the slip of yours, Galati.
my lord, the reason why I did was,
Reasons may be manifold,
yes,
madam. You are still too young in the bar to shout at anybody there.
I'm
All
sorry.
right.
I
Why should I
acknowledge.
take your matter out of turn?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I didn't know it's you. The registry calls me and tells me there's a young advocate who has shouted on all of us. Why should it go before him only?
My lord,
Why?
my lord,
Because
if
there is
I,
an order of the apex court.
my lord, if
If
I'm,
you didn't know that, go and check up.
yes, my lord, I acquired knowledge of that.
Then
And that, my lord,
did you
if
go and
I'm,
apologize to them whom you have shouted?
yes, my lord, I will do
Then
that. The next day after I,
you did? You have
no, my
not
lord,
done.
I will do that, my lord. I'll
Will
go
do
back
that.
and do it
Yes.
to the section officer in person. My
So
lord,
you're-
if I may, my lord, the reason is, my lord, because since morning I've been following up with a particular caseworker, and she's been
Reasons
making.
may be manifold. First,
Yes,
get
ma'am.
to know why the matters are listed as
I
successive writs
understand, ma'am.
before the same judge who had decided the earlier case.
Yes.
That's because the Supreme Court's order and a circular issued by the High Court. You say, oh, who knows that circular? Why that? What is all? Whatever you have spoken, I know. How old are you in the profession?
And 4 years now, my lord.
Then
I acknowledge, my lord.
that's not correct. Yes, humility is the hallmark of success, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to be successful, you should be humble.
My lord, I'll apologize to him in person.
Yes. Now tell me what's the case.
My lord, we filed an IA on for vacating stay,
Hmm.
and I made submissions with respect to suppression of facts and misleading documents provided
The
by
offense.
section 420, 468, 34, and 34, and 447, criminal trespass. My lord.
34 is not a substantive offense anyway.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
My lord, a complaint was filed and a FIR was registered. Charge sheet is also filed. They've approached this honorable court and got it prayed for relief of quashing. They've also obtained a stay on 16th of December. My lord, we've come before this honorable court to pray for the vacation of stay order dated 16/12/2024.
Tell me, what's your case?
My lord, my lord, the case is
Don't
such.
worry about whatever I've told. Now come back to your case. Go to your elements because you do very well.
Yes.
Yes. Hmm.
My lord, the case is pertaining to the land, the schedule of the land. The land has been the survey number 74/6, where the location and the schedule of the land has been misrepresented in a release deed dated 13th of September 2022. The said forged document is used to trespass and make fraudulent revenue documents to grab a portion of my land, which is survey number 73/4. Uh, My lord, also they have suppressed court proceedings, which is IAS that I have filed in OS number 5491 of 2023.
On the same relief, you have filed a civil suit.
My lord, I am the defendant in the civil suit.
They have filed a civil
They
suit.
have filed a civil suit before I filed a complaint. And the reason I filed a complaint is because there was criminal trespass. So I had to file a complaint. My
This suit, there's an order of injunction.
Yes, my lord, they obtained an order. I filed an MFA 8519 of 2023, and which was dismissed. And in the same order which was dismissed, they had obtained a favorable order by producing electricity bills, which had false information in it, which referred to survey number 18 of Amanikera village, when in actuality the land was pertaining to survey number 74/6 in Hebal village. Then they filed another MFA 2081 and 2084 against orders that I got in my favor in IN number 2 and 4, dated 22nd of March 2024. My lord, the case is still pending, and I have submitted the case status
Yes.
on the previous date of hearing, my lord. Also, my lord, this petition is a successive petition. Yes, my lord. My lord, I've also, the argument is pertaining to the fact that this is just a civil suit and that we have filed a complaint falsely for as abuse of process of law. My lord, my humble submission is that I have submitted Supreme Court precedents in.
Right. The other day you argued. The
Yes, ma'am.
petitioners were not present the other day.
Yes, my lord.
Anjundegodan, yaradu? Who appears for the petitioner?
Amir, please, my lord. On the last occasion,
yes,
due
sir.
to some technical glitch, I was not able to appear. On my sincere apologies on that, my lord.
All right, there appears to be a legal glitch in your case.
My lord, I'll just bring out the sequence of the case, please, my lord. In the year
Yes, sir.
2018, the respondent number 2 purchases plot land from Century Land Bank, my lord. And subsequent to that, on 5/9/2023, the respondent number 2 files a caveat saying that I have encroached in their land, please, my lord. Basing that, I file a suit for injunction on 13/9/2023, please, my lord, in OS 5941 of 23, my lord. And an order of temporary injunction was granted in my favor on 5/10/2023, my lord. And the respondent number 2 has challenged the said order in MFA, and that came to be dismissed via order dated 23/1/2024, my lord. And subsequently, after dismissal of the MFA, the present complaint came to be filed by the respondent number 2, please, my lord. That is on 12/2/2024. Initially, complaint came to be registered against petition number 1 and 2, who being the brothers. And later, during the course of investigation, matter came to be invested, and the wife and the children and son-in-law of accused number 1 were arraigned as accused. In total, there are 8 accused now, please, my lord. Nowhere, as contrary to my learned friend, my lord, there was no suppression of fact. I have brought out the entire thing in my petition and have just narrated the ground on what pretext I am before my lords seeking quashing of the said proceedings, my lord. The crime came to be registered only after dismissal of the said MFA, my lord. And as my learned friend contended, there are 2 my MFAs filed by me because, my lord, a counterclaim was filed challenging the release date dated 13/9/2022 by respondent number 2, please, my lord. Wherein the learned judge
Who
has
is in
passed it.
possession of the property?
Lord, it
Who
is
is
my
in
answer.
possession of?
I am in possession, my lord. The RTCs are reflected in my name. I am in possession. I
My
have
lord,
got electricity bills from the year
my lord,
2014.
Oh my God. One moment. Yes.
My lord, the RTC Pahani does exist in their name, which was mutated in 2018-2019 after the remaining portion of 9.5 guntas, 74/1, which was sold to one Mr. N.M. Giri. We are sale deed dated 23rd of October 2020, which we have produced in our statement of objections. My lord, at present, they are not holding any portion in survey number 74. 74/6 was already acquired by BDA, which is currently the Outer Ring Road. And 74/1 is now in possession of one Mr. N.M. Giri.
Whom are you representing?
My lord, I'm representing respondent number 2, who is the owner of survey number 73.
Now there's a trespass from these persons into your property.
Yes, my lord.
That is 9.5 guntas.
My lord,
What is the extent?
the extent of trespass.
No, not trespass. Extent of your holding.
The extent of my holding is the whole survey number 73/1, bar
That
2,
is
bar 3.
9.5 guntas.
At 39 guntas.
39 guntas.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Fine. Ashtana?
My lord, this is a case where their survey number lies in survey number 73, please, my lord. Wherein my property is in survey number 74, my lord. Once he purchases a property, he keeps quiet. And after 1 year,
No.
please, my lord.
This is not a case of 406, 420. 420 may not become applicable. That's a different thing. Because there
Please,
is
my
no
lord.
question of luring or agreement or whatever.
Please, my lord.
447, yes.
My lord, I have not trespassed, my lord.
Trespass is a matter of evidence.
No, please, my lord. But
Other
wherein
offenses,
the entire claim, the entire allegation made is respect to survey number 73, please, my lord. Wherein my property is in survey number 74 sub 6, my lord. I am nowhere into their property. And moreover, my lord,
that's why you're nowhere in their property and
Raj,
trespass.
Alla, in a MFA which I have preferred before this honorable court, a court commissioner was appointed, and even the court commissioner has given a report in that said MFA, please, my lord, wherein my structure is a 10 to 15-year-old structure. They have put up a compound wall, a new compound wall, and that is been written in the court commissioner's report, my lord, wherein they have tried to put a compound in my place. That being the reason, I have again filed a 39 rule 1 into application that came to be dismissed, challenging that I had preferred an MFA, wherein this honorable court had directed for a court commissioner, and the report is already placed before the coordinate bench, please, my lord. If I may permit it, on the next occasion, I'll also produce the said documents for my lords.
No next occasion. Finish it today.
Please, my
My
lord, because
lord,
I have the
if I
relevant
may,
documents.
Yes.
my lord, if I may produce this compliance affidavit, which was produced by the deputy commissioner in writ petition number 25987 pertaining to the same land. There was a spot inspection of this particular survey number 74/6. My lord, he's made submissions, specific submissions with respect to where this shed is and where these encroachments are. And he specifically stated that it's not in 74/6, it is in 73/4, which is my land.
There's another writ petition also pending between you.
No, my lord, this was disposed of.
Disposed. All right. Anything else, sir?
Raj, I'll just rely upon Urmila Devi versus Balram case, my lord, wherein only after respondent being unsuccessful, only because no, please, my lord, only after she being unsuccessful.
420 and other things difficult. 447.
Raj,
Let's see.
I have not encroached even an inch into their property, my lord. Not even an inch, please, my lord. And that being the reason, only when they put up a compound wall, only then I preferred an application That came to be dismissed. Only then I preferred an MFA. In that case, court commissioner came to be appointed, only to know the genuineness as to what is happening in the property as of now, please, my lord.
All right. That's it?
Yes, my lord. I've produced the respective document.
Judgments.
Yes,
That last time you have given.
my lord. If I may, they have more contentions.
Have more contentions.
Yes, my lord.
What?
They have suppressed that fact that I have filed in perjury, an application for perjury under section 195 in the civil suit.
That's okay. That has nothing to do with this. Then,
So, may I submit, my lord?
that's it. That's all. Government.
Please, my lord, the 74/1 is already acquired, my lord, 25 guntas, which is claimed by the petitioner. And now suppressing that, my lord, they executed the document. That is the allegation charge sheet, my lord. The
All
same
right.
land is already acquired.
Yes.
No position is taken, nor any award is being passed in that case, my lord.
That is a different thing, sir.
Please, please, my lord. Please.
Yes. Let's see. Discharge hakonತೀರಾ?
Lord.
Yes. ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ.
Lord, my lord, may kindly have a day after tomorrow. I'll just seek instructions on that effect, my lord, please.
Yes. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು offense difficult.
But yes, I have narrated the entire fact, please, my lord.
No, you have maybe. You can always discharge ಹಾಕಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡಿ.
An occasion, please, my lord.
Then 27th.
Please, my lord, please.
27th. Only for that. ಮತ್ತೆ
Please,
argument ಇಲ್ಲ.
Please, my lord, please.
My lord, 27th of this month, my lord. Yes,
You don't have to come here.
yes, ma'am.
I'm there.
Yes, ma'am.
27th, 28th, sorry.
Yes.
Friday.
Much obliged. Great, sir.
27th, please, my lord. 27th, I'm not
Why?
here. I'm not here on 28th, please, my lord. Sorry for the
It's
inconvenience.
27th.
Please,
Appear online.
please. Obliged.
Great.
Chaitanya, sir. I'll just finish the preliminary hearing, fresh matters and then. ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, my lords. The party in person takes a stay and
That's a partly in person.
subsequently, as in even in the criminal petitions also, it's the same thing, my lords.
Criminal petition case ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Criminal cases are also there.
What's the matter? Not an advocate, is it?
Not an advocate, my lords.
Yes, Archana madam.
Copy is not been served.
My lords, if I may,
Yes. Who are you?
I'm respondent to, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, the petitioner contends that the State Bar Council has verified all the documents and then they have issued the enrollment certificate. And whereas the State Bar Council has initiated an inquiry into her educational qualifications under DCE 83/2024, which is produced at Annexure 1. And the respondent also states that she has, in her affidavit for the State Bar Council as well as the application, she states that there is no criminal antecedents whatsoever. Whereas there have been criminal antecedents, my lords, and there is a case pending under Juvenile Justice Act for child trafficking as well as forgery.
Child trafficking?
Yes, my lords.
Against this lady?
Against this lady at Chikodi. There is NBW.
He's seeking to practice as an advocate.
Yes, my lord. Before she got enrolled. And there are NBWs issued as well. She has been evading arrest. I've produced the thing, my lords. Annexure R4, my lords.
ನೀವೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ. Archana madam.
Yes, my lords.
And even with the petition copy, she has not served any annexures.
ಅಲ್ಲ petition copy ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ. Will give last chance. But I'll record everything. Now what is it? Tell me.
Okay. My lords, the petition copy is all served to me and she has not served any annexures whatsoever.
ನಾನು ಈಗ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ.
No, my lords. My lords, if you take a look at annexure R4, my lords,
R4.
R4 at running page number 106.
File your
my lords.
objections. Vacating stay.
Vacating stay.
Yes. Oh, objections are quite. Yura.
Yes, my lords. Yes, my lords. That's all. That's annexure R11, wherein she is violating the bar council rules as well, my lords.
ಏನು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Yes, my lords. R11.
ಬಾರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ಗೆ ಇದೇ ಫೋಟೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್?
My lords, she's gone to an extent of intimidating me as well as my colleagues and this thing, my lords. I'd like to make off the record submissions.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಲೈವ್.
Yes,
ಆಫ್ ದ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್.
My lords, with regards to her criminal antecedents,
But better you argue on the record.
Yes, yes, my lords.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ she'll be somewhere watching.
Yes, my lords. My lords, in para number 2 of her petition, she states that the thing, her degree certificates are all valid and she has procured the proper LLB degree. Whereas if you take a check at annexure R3, which is running page number 72, my lords. This was an RTI filed, and her document submitted to the bar council was procured. And in annexure R3, the university from which she claims that she's completed her LLB has submitted a letter stating that letter dated 5/9/2022 have clearly stated the above mentioned details are not as per university exam section and confidential records. It seems otherwise.
Now this is the complaint under section 35.
Yes, my lords. And I'd also like to bring to your notice, my lords, she has filed a writ petition in the same court because her school was not granted funds, government aid.
She runs a school, is it?
Yes, my lords. She claims to be the principal of the school. She is drawing funds from the government. If you take a check at page number, my lords, running page number 82 and 83, she has taken funds from the government, my lords, up to 50 lakh rupees is the extent.
Running the school.
Running the school, my lords. Her petition, her license, school license, or this thing was cancelled.
Shikshana Siri.
Yes, my lords.
Founder President.
My lords, she's taken funds from the government, and when it was brought to the notice of the DDPI cancelled the aid, to which there was an assault done on the DDPI herself, the government official, and then she has approached this honorable court and taken a stay on that matter as well. She is misutilizing the patronage and good faith of the court, my lords.
Patronage illa, good faith anta heli. Naven patronage kodu. Yes.
My lords, if you take a look at running page 86, the university has sent this letter to the bar council, and they have 86, my lords.
Chaudhary Charan Singh University.
Yes, my lords.
LLB allida.
LLB. And this was at a time when she was running school and drawing funds from the government.
Examination conducted ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
2020.
April 2020. Thick of COVID.
Yes, ma'am.
The entire country was shut.
My lords,
ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
Yes.
ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
Yes, my lords. And then I'd like to bring to your notice the next page number, my lords.
Archana madam, get the details next time. Copy lilla andre ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Running page number 100.
Petition ಏನಿಲ್ಲ 4 ಪೇಜ್ ಇರೋದು. Objections ಒಂದು 400 ಪೇಜ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಅವರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Yes, ma'am. running page number 106, whenever there is a FIR filed against her, my lord, she files a counter FIR. This is just an example wherein a FIR was filed against 138 members, my lord.
Why 138 members?
Apparently, she claims that they tried to kill her. There was a SCST Act FIR filed against her, and for which this was a counter FIR filed, my lords.
Atrocities. Anyway, the interim order ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗಿರೋದು?
Interim order was in the month of September.
Not my order, right? Interim order granted earlier ante.
11/9.
This is Surat Savadu until next date of hearing. Yes. This court, a coordinate bench of this court on 11/9/2025 had passed the following order. The petitioner is at the doors. Petitioner who is said to be appearing in person is before the court, calling in question proceedings instituted by the Bar Council under section 35 of the Advocates Act. The interim order is granted on the score that a criminal petition is filed in criminal petition 31167 of 2025, and further proceedings are stayed therein, and the subject complaint would amount to inquiring all over again, and would border upon double jeopardy. The petitioner in person after 11/9/2025 has not appeared. On 12/11/2025, this court had passed the following. On 12/11/2025, the matter was listed and the interim order stood extended. Again on 14/11/25, it stood extended. Again on 19/11/25, it stood extended. Though it is not recorded on all those cases, all those days, the petitioner in person was not present. Even today, there is the petitioner in person is not present. The learned counsel representing the second respondent.
Second respondent.
The second respondent, you are the complainant. Who are complainant?
Complainant, my lords.
Before the Bar Council.
Before the Bar Council as well as
the complainant, both in the crime and before the Bar Council, takes this court through the elaborate statement of objections so filed to contend that the petitioner runs a school, allegedly runs a school by name Shikshana Siri, and had approached this court in writ petition 106747 of 2025 seeking several relief, which comes to be dismissed. Innondu grant yavadu ittalla yavadu?
Grant against DDPI, my lords. The same case, same writ petition which was dismissed because her grants were not allowed.
The claim was that the grants to the petitioner's institution was not released. The prayer sought in the writ petition is as follows, page 190. The period which the petitioner claims that the grants were not released are for the years 2023-2024. The petitioner is said to possess a qualification, said to possess Bachelor of Law qualification. The degree certificate is issued by the Chaudhry Charan Singh University, Meerut. It does not indicate that it was a correspondence course.
My lords, just to bring your notice, running page 95, she's produced a leaving certificate. Bar Council, my lords. It says that she's passed the exam in 2020 in the year 2004.
2004?
95, my lords. And
year of passing 2020.
Year of, if you read through the thing, my lords, this is to 35, Suvarnalata Gadgab Gaudar, roll number so and so.
The university has rendered a certificate which depicts that the petitioner has secured LLB and has passed out in the year 2020.
2020. The same line says exam in the year 2004. 95, my lords.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು page?
Page 95, my lords. Running page 95.
Oh, that is leaving certificate.
Leaving certificate.
Final year 2020.
It wasn't
Exam in the year 2004. Ooh.
It wasn't photoshopped properly.
Oh, correct. ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ 2020 ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ. Yes. The certificate ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ 2020. ನಿಮಗೂ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? University has rendered a certificate that the petitioner has secured LLB and passed out in the year 2020. Another leaving certificate is available on record by the same college. She appears to have passed out in 2020, but the examination is held in 2004. It is ununderstandable as to how such certificates are even generated by the university. On the strength of the leaving certificate and the certificate as aforesaid, the petitioner is said to have applied to the Bar Council
Yes, ma'am.
for enrolling herself as an advocate. Adidya?
Enrollment.
Enroll ಆಗಿರೋದೇನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಆಗಿದೆ. Provisional.
Because Archana madam is handicapped. ಇದಿಲ್ಲ. File ಇಲ್ಲ.
2023 she has paid the amount.
ಯಾವಾಗ madam?
18/1/2023 milo.
The petitioner, on the strength of the aforesaid documents which prima facie generates doubt about its existence, enrolls as an advocate in the Bar Council on 13/1/2023. Therefore, all these factors would clearly indicate that the petitioner runs a school. At the time of running the school and being its being its founder president, at the same time studies in Meerut, secures an LLB. It is shocking that the petitioner is omnipresent. However, she is not present before this court. List this matter on 4th December at 4 p.m. for further hearing.
My lords, the stay stands to be vacant.
But one chance could put. In the event the petitioner would not be present, as this is the 5th occasion of her absence, the interim order would get automatically vacated. And the petitioner would run the risk of getting the writ petition itself dismissed. Subject to the aforesaid, the petition, the interim order subsisting would continue till the next date of hearing. ಅವರು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಒಂದು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Yes, ma'am.
ರಿಟ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಕಾಪಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ma'am. ಬರೀ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಕಳ್ಸಿದಾರೆ my lords. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
Please.
Number 33, Anand Kumar Ekku, Shivsayam Patil.
Lord, I beg to appear along with Mr. Shivsayam Patil for the respondent.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ನೀವು ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್?
Petitioner.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ.
Ali respond number 3 ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿ.
Yes.
That is what I wanted to make it correct.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ R3 ಗೆ
R3
will delete it. ಯಾರ ಪೇ ನೀವು ಅಪೇರ್
R3 ಇಲ್ಲ. R1 and 2 is only 1 and 2.
By mistake it has been typed.
Mistake.
Registry to delete the name of Archana Magdum as appearing for the third respondent.
And to show
And
as a petitioner.
To show the name of Archana Magdum as appearing for the petitioner. The mistake ಆಗಿದೆ. Yes, what's the
A
matter?
petitioner sought for mandamus consideration of representation at annexure G, Milord. Here, Milord, your lordship may kindly peruse award copy, Milord, which is at page number 132, Milord.
132.
132, Milord.
Yes.
Here, petitioner is the owner of 74 bar B2, Milord. Wherein, Milord, an award has been passed. To the extent your lordship may kindly peruse page number 133, Milord. There's a tabular form. Wherein a total compensation of 6 crores 95 lakh 31,311 has been awarded to me, Milord. Your lordship may kindly peruse the notice at annexure B, Milord, page number 156, wherein I was directed to produce the documents and seek the payment, Milord. Accordingly, Milord, at page number 159 C, Milord, that is the payment voucher. Here, my lord,
Very more 3 crore
3 crore only.
Not
Actually,
6 crores?
TDS 38 lakh has been deducted out of 3 crores, 3 crore 44 lakh 17,999, my lord. Out of that, TDS has been deducted. And your lordship may kindly see, my lord, the bank details which has been produced at page number 161, annexure C1, my lord. 3 crore 44 lakhs 17,999 has been paid to me, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, we made a representation. And your lordship, I have sought annexure F, that is the 3G application which has been filed before the arbitrator, which is at page 177. I have sought stay for that, my lord. Because now the arbitrator has expressed his opinion saying that he is going to reduce the amount, my lord. The
How can you say that?
Yes, my lord. I have produced a document to show that how the arbitrator, and even I have filed one more petition today. It is listed at serial number 66, my lord. The conduct of the arbitrator as to how he is conducting the matters on his powers, my lord. Here, what he is doing is in the claimant's petition.
Arbitrator is a deputy commissioner?
The additional deputy commissioner, my lord.
ADC.
What he is doing is, in the claimant's appeal, he is reducing the compensation where NHA appeal is not there, my lord. And moreover, in the claimant's petition, he is remanding the matter to the SLO to revise it. This is how he is doing his proceedings, my lord, for which I have filed one more petition that he is a biased and partial
66
arbitrator.
66
Please, my lord,
LLB,
66. I'm seeking for appointment of, I'm seeking for substitution of arbitrator to be appointed.
We'll see.
Wherein
Yes.
Union of India I have made a party
Adralli.
for appointment. And here, my lord, now the SLO, the respondent, is objecting, have filed a statement of objection. They themselves are denying their own SLO award.
And they have not challenged it?
No, my lord.
Yes, who appears?
Senior.
Bidan.
Yes, Milord, I pay, Milord, I'm sorry.
Ah.
Milord, the first order, Milord, is being passed, Milord, by the competent authority. Though it is shown as arbitral award, it is a competent authority's order. Milord, your lordship will see, Milord, that the award, which is page number 46, Milord, 47 and 48 of the petition, Milord. 47, your lordship will see, Milord, Milord, these are all officers who are not legally trained. However, Milord, they have said that
legally trained andre our appeal alli avrde reduce madakagutte. What is this?
they are not reduced. No,
Without you filing an appeal, how can
no,
the
he is not.
appellant,
There is no
appellant be placed worse off?
Sorry, Milord? Sorry.
You don't need a legally trained mind to the legally trained andre don't put him
It's a
as
quasi judicial
arbitrator.
order, Milord. It's a quasi judicial.
It's a quasi judicial order. Quasi judicial order also has to be in the tenets of law.
Correct.
Not according to his whim and fancy.
Milord, I have not even read the order, Milord. Your lordship may kindly bear with me, Milord.
Then what, sir?
Yes.
No, it's clear. Now your determination is 6 crore 91 lakhs.
No, Milord.
Now you reduce it
for
3 crore
whatever it is worth, your lordship may hear.
The appellant goes there, you further would reduce it.
Lord, there's no appeal, Milord. I'll just take a lordship to the provisions. I'll just make my submissions and a lordship may decide, Milord. I have no difficulty there. Milord,
Yes.
there's nothing much I can do about it. The orders are what it is. Milord, your lordship will see, Milord, the payment of compensation.
Orders are stubborn, you can't change it.
Yes, Milord. Your lordship will see the order, Milord, at the bottom part of that page. The payment, it starts with the payment of compensation. Is subject to protection of the certified copy of NA, the NA order. Milord, these properties were, Milord, converted properties. Originally they were agricultural, then they converted it to non-agricultural. Milord, there is 45% deduction on the original order passed. Therefore, Milord, the 6 crore and odd, the difference of 6 crore and odd and 45% is the amount that is they are entitled to. That is what he's given there. Milord, agreed by that, Milord, they filed an application under 3G3, 3G5, and the competent and the arbitrator has passed an award. Milord, your lordship will see the award.
Page,
Milord, your lordship. I'll just take your lordship to the page once. It starts from page number 210, Milord. It starts from 210.
210.
Yes, Milord. It starts from 210.
Yes. Hmm.
Yes, I'll just take it out. I'm just coming to that page.
Hmm.
Just one second, one second. My system is a little slow, I'm so sorry.
This has connection with 66, or this
Yes.
can independently be
Your Lordship, the same petitioner, same survey number, he has filed that
66.
66.
This is only for consideration, is it?
This is for because once the arbitrator reduces to deducting 45%, then SLA award will be reduced. So they have not challenged that. NHI has not challenged. So I am
NHI has not
entitled for
challenged
that amount. Now he is going to do it. He has expressed his opinion also. Mine is also any converted residential plot, my lord. And the documents which I have produced, my lord, at annexure H1, H2, those are also of any residential plot. In that only, when there is no appeal by NHAI, they have the arbitrator has reduced 45%.
Millard, agreed by the order passed by the competent authority, she's filed an application for arbitration. Now the arbitrator considers this, Millard. Now he says, Millard, at 190, at 190, sorry, Millard, it's at 195. At 195, Millard, page number 195. These paginations have subsequently changed, Millard, because I was not given the proper copy earlier. Therefore, the difficulty, Millard. May I read, Millard, 195, page number 195? Therefore,
195.
yes, 195, 195.
Hmm.
Therefore, the arbitral tribunal
Yes.
has allowed the appeal and redetermined the market value of the land at 55% of the NA market value, that is rupees 1,184. The arbitral tribunal has fixed the value at 55% of the NA market value on the following reasons. Though the said land is converted into non-agricultural purpose, the layout has not got approved under the Karnataka Town and so Planning Act. Even though this said land was converted, now it shall be the duty of the developer or the applicant to reserve 45% of the land for roads and civic amenities. Moreover, the betterment charges and development charges have to be paid. Concerned authorities, which is not done in this case, hence 45%. Look, this is the amount that has been deducted because because for amenities, Millard, necessarily amounts are deducted, and that is the reason why Millard 45% has been deducted and the amount has been paid subsequently paid. Now, Millard, now if they are agreed by this, Millard, they need to file a section 34 petition, because if your lordship will see 3G5, Millard, it does not say that he cannot reduce the amount. There is, it's not unlike the old Land Acquisition Act. There's nothing which says that he cannot reduce the amount. You will just see the section 3G5, Millard. May I read it, Millard? Yes. If the amount determined by the competent authority under subsection 1 or subsection 2 is not acceptable to either of the parties, the amount shall on application by either of the parties be determined by the arbitrator to be appointed by the central government. Therefore, Millard, any party can file an application if he is aggrieved. We did not file an application, because we found that the actual value has been paid by deducting 45% of the amount that has to be provided for amenities. Now, they filed an application. That application was adjudicated, and in the adjudicated application, the the arbitrator says that for 45% for amenities, that should be a reduction, and that is the reduced amount that has been paid to them. But the 6 crore and all, they are not entitled to, because there is a deduction of 45% from the amount that is being calculated as compensation, and the net payable is the amount that is 3 crore and all, which has already been paid to them. Now, Millard, if they are aggrieved by this order of the arbitrator, Millard, they need to file a section 34. They need to go and tell the 34 court, Millard, that there is that this illegal or comes within the contours of section 34, and that should be the award should be set aside and subsequently remanded to a new arbitrator. Millard, a writ as such, Millard, may not be maintainable according to me. That is all, Millard.
My only submission is that when competent authority has passed the award, Milo, that if it is not challenged by the NHA, either of the party is the claimant and the NHA. Claimant has approached for enhancement, not for the reduction, Milo. When NHA has not filed their application before the arbitrator, how it can be reduced in my appeal when I am seeking for enhancement? Instead of enhancing, He's reducing.
Will.
And now this competent authority, what he has awarded, if that is reduced in my 3G application, then again I have to, no doubt I'll file 34 million. But the thing is that why I should be suffer when SLO has been, when competent authority award has been admitted by the NHA.
Will answer that, yes.
Please,
I heard the learned.
Milord, may I say only one thing, Milord, only one thing. There is no,
Yes,
it's not
Bidhan.
an appeal, Milord. It is a redetermination of the compensation by the arbitrator. That's all.
That's what claimant goes for, enhancement for redetermination.
Wait. Heard the learned counsel, Srimati Archana Magdam, appearing for the petitioner, and Biden, our resident full name?
Shivsai.
Shivsai Bidena.
Bidan Chandran.
Bidan Chandran. Yes, Bidana. Bidan Chandran appearing for Shivsai Patil. Nim measure gottu, sir.
Sorry.
List the matter on 3rd December at 4 p.m. for dictating orders. Further proceedings before the arbitrator.
No, the already award has been passed, Milord. There's nothing to it.
Award is passed.
Yes, Milord.
No,
The arbitrator
there is a stay in this matter.
There's an interim order already.
Interim
How
order
did he pass an
existing,
award?
and we have already communicated. There is no order
Maybe,
has been
Milord, I don't
passed.
know. I'll get instructions.
The further proceedings is already interim order.
Interim order.
Subsisting would continue till the next date of
Obliged.
hearing. List the matter on 3rd, 4 p.m. Yes.
Please, grateful.
Bill number 34.
66.
Amal Tawar.
Please.
Sadiq Gudwala.
PDS. Compassionate disposed. Page number.
Dispose ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ
Okay.
There is one difficulty, my lord. Rejected our daughter-in-law.
Rejected now?
She is a daughter-in-law of license holder.
Oh, ಅದು compassion ಬರಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
Compassionate.
DGA is directed to accept notice
1 to 3.
for the respondent 1 to 3. List on 10th.
Fleshman.
Fleshman.
Covered by my lordship.
ಅವರು ಕೊಡಿ ಕಾಪಿ. Next.
Bill number 35. Naina Kumar.
Rejoined or not filed?
For respondent number 1 to 4.
Readings complete. Why is it come in this?
Contesting this one for objection.
Covered?
Not
No,
covered.
my lord. It's not covered, my lord.
Next year, P.
Last date of hearing, my lord, I had submitted a judgment, my lord. Writ appeal.
Writ appeal.
Writ appeal number.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ writ appeal?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
What last date you submitted?
I had submitted a judgment, my lord, that which is covered by this judgment.
Yes, Suraj ಅವ್ರದಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ.
Yes. No, writ appeal, my lord.
It's not covered, my lord.
The only issue in this matter is, my lord, two entities.
Rejoinder not filed?
No, my lord.
Rejoinder
No
not
rejoinder.
filed, my lord.
Not necessary.
Learned counsel submits that there is no rejoinder to be filed to the statement of objections. Therefore, list the matter in preliminary hearing on Tuesday.
Please, my lord.
My lord, there is some urgency in this matter.
May I
my
make
lord.
on submission, my lord?
My lord, they have to get the school renewed.
May I make on submission, my lord? Since, my lord, the writ petition is not maintained, my lord, alternative remedy is before the, my lord, civil court to file, my lord, suit, my lord. And again, one more appeal is there, my lord, to file, my lord, appeal before the appellate tribunal, my lord, under section 27 clause 2 of the
Bombay Public Trust Act.
Karnataka Societies Registration Act. This school is registered under the Karnataka Societies Registration Act, my lord. So he has to file a suit, my lord. Please, my lord. Please, my lord.
Next. 36. 37.
Lingaraj Murray.
Infructuous. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits petition is rendered infructuous by efflux of time.
38.
Disposed as having become infructuous.
Elen Reddy Gunde.
Not this case, not swearing. In spite of work order notes at annexure A, B, and C, and notes report of notes Tashildar and Deputy Commissioner notes at annexure K, notes the funds have not been released. In fact, notes now they have come up with an notes endorsement stating that the funds have to be diverted. Notes annexure K, page 24. Based on the report of 3 Tashildars, the report was prepared notes by Deputy Commissioner. since 20,
First time ಬರ್ತಾರದ?
ಅದು my lords had notes directed to post the matter in fresh matters for the reason that since 2021 notes my 2 crores admitted amount is not released.
List in preliminary hearing list. Yes. Why, madam?
Since 2021, it was listed on notes. Last week, I made a submission that note since 2021, admitted amount to.
List the matter on second in preliminary hearing. Admitted amount ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
Admitted, not even a single pie since 2021. My lord said it can be disposed.
ಏನು interest cost ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡೋಣ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, 2 crores since 2020, not even a single pie. But DC also submits a report that I am entitled notes. Annexure K, page 25.
ಇಲ್ಲ, mandamus ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ, annexure.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು.
Annexure notes, DC writes, seeks a permission notes from the secretary to release the amount. Notes, secretary states that notes page number 26. Now the funds has to be utilized for some other purpose. It is an admitted amount notes.
List on, why sir not released?
Please. Judicial order may be passed, my lords. Mandamus.
Cost ಎಲ್ಲ impose ಮಾಡೋಣ.
We'll consider.
Interest consider ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. Second, right. Tuesday.
Please.
Cell number 39, Adit Chandan Gowda.
Appearing for the petitioner in this matter, your lordship. The matter pertains to my a GST appeal being filed in a delayed, belated manner, your lordship. There was a delay of 60 at serial number 24, your lordship.
24, same order. Yes,
Grateful,
disposed.
your lordship.
Next.
Cell number 40, Uruj Ahmad.
Please, my lords. Lords, the matter pertains to the tender, my lords. As at Annexure P, my lords, if your lordships may kindly come, there's a government order, my lords.
Samida.
Sorry.
What tender is this?
My lords, this tender pertains to, it is, my lords, given to the 2A people for the coming under 2A category, my lords. Now, my lords, I am challenging the clause 3 of the tender, my lords, which is at page number 30.
Objection, na?
Objection.
ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
Please.
Lords, if your lordships may
Objections ಬೇಡವಾ?
kindly permit me.
The learned counsel, learned AGA files a statement of objections, the same is taken on record Tuesday. Next.
Lords, I may permitted to
See
put
the
on record
objections.
one
You are
memo,
permitted
my
to see the objections and come back. Yes,
Please,
next.
Cell number 41,
Highly
Praveen
obliged.
Kumar, S. Shaji.
lords, interim order may be kindly.
Intermodal subsist. Intermodal case urgency. Yes.
Please,
Intermodal subsisting would continue to the next date of hearing.
highly obliged.
Girish,
Challenging annexure G, my lord, tender notification, lord. Without cancelling my tender notification, second tender notice have been issued, my lord.
ಯಾರು respondent ಯಾರು?
AG appeals for respondent number 1, my lord.
ಯಾಜಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
This notice
List
was-
on third, awaiting the appearance of Yaji, interim order subsisting would continue to the next date of hearing. Next.
42, Girish Yadva.
Learned AGA seeks a week's time, finally seeks a week's time to file statement of objections or make submissions as the case would be. List the matter on 9th December as a last chance. Next.
Same stage, please.
43, Sajid Ahmad Godwala.
Will undertake to file wakalat for R3, my lord.
Learned counsel so and so undertakes to enter appearance for the third respondent, registry to print the name of so and so as appearing for the third respondent.
My lord, the petitioner are the active members of the society, my lords, and after paying the due payment.
ಏನು interim order ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, interim order ಅಲ್ಲ, disposal.
ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ ತಾಳಿ ಅವರು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ ಏನು?
We need to file wakalat, my lord. We will take instructions.
List on third.
In fresh matters, please.
4, MB Hiremat.
Here for petitioner. It's covered by decision produced at annexure. The petitioner is an educational institution. It is using 2 buses for transporting purpose, refusing to issue.
Transport buses.
Yes.
Yes.
Page 56.
Serial number 161 is also same.
161 also same. Idu ashte. Disposed.
Correct.
Yes. Next.
56, Shiv Sai Patil, China Magdu.
46.
Bar council.
66 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ?
It's 46 bar council.
Oh, bar council matter.
I seek 2 weeks time to file my objections.
Bundelkhand University.
Oh, Bundelkhand. ಇದು ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಹೌದಾ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. No other allegations. They find that there is.
Yes, madam. Secure instructions. ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ? ನೋಡಿ. ಅದು ಬಡ್ಡೆಲ್ ಕಂಡಿವೆ.
ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ?
Yes, learned counsel Srimati Archana Magdum seeks 2 weeks time to file statement of objections. List the matter on 11th December. Objections if any by then.
Please.
Next.
47, Jagdish Patil.
Iವರು busy ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. We'll take it next week.
Next week, date may be fixed.
10th December. Jagdish Patil is busy, right?
Please,
Yes,
interim
10th
order make and interim order make.
10th oh, urgency ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ. Tenure of the board management has been expired, my lord. Now the administrator has appointed.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಮದುವೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಮಂಗಳವಾರ
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ?
First, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು, second. We'll take it on second. Second.
Interim order make and
Interim order subsisting.
ಇಲ್ಲ, entry ಮಾಡ್ರು if the charge has not taken ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
We are already taken a charge before that.
ಅದೇನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೆ ಇದೆ ಸೇಮ್.
Number 48,
ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ನಾಯಕ್ ಯಾವುದು?
PP Badi.
This is with respect to my lord's claiming of the medical expenses 1,50,000. Subject to my lord's.
ಗಣಪತಿ ನೆನೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
He was here, my lord.
Get him password. Yes,
So it may be taken day after tomorrow.
Day after.
Please, interim order may kindly be extended.
Interim order will continue.
Please, great.
Day after tomorrow, ಬೇಡ. Let it come on 3rd.
Please.
Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date.
Please, great.
49, Chetan T. Limbekai.
My lord, fixing of reservation by the administrator whose term has expired.
Administrator's term has expired.
Administrator's term. He was appointed as administrator on 24th January.
Extend ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ 6
For
months
R6. And even extension power is not there because when administrator is appointed in section 28A, subsection 5, there is no power for extension.
Copy ಕೊಡಿ. File statement of learned AGA, please file statement of objections. List the matter on second in the fresh matters list.
My lord,
The administrator shall not take any further decision.
my submission. Thing is, on 30th, no election is scheduled. My lord, the entire.
30th. ನಾಡಿದ್ದು.
This 30th, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು, objection ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, list tomorrow.
Please.
ಬೇಡವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ.
ನಾಳೆ fresh matters.
Number 50, HR Kambiyavar.
It's 107.
107 expert.
51,
107 order ಕೊಡಿ. If your smile would have generated orders, it would have generated so many by now. ಕೊಡಿ. Same Kambiar.
Please, dear mag appeal provision. And similarly, in serial number 70, 92, 153.
ಅಷ್ಟು ಅವೇನಾ?
107.
The name of BS Kamte may be deleted by
MB Kanvi Kamte name.
By inadvertence name is shown.
Inadvertent.
MB Kanvi ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಕಾಲತ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ 4 weeks time ಕೊಟ್ಟು.
Please.
70,
delete the name of BS Kamte and print the name of MB Kanvi as appearing for the respondent in all these cases. ಮೂರು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು?
70, 92, 153.
150?
153.
ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
I will give in writing.
In writing?
Slip ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ನೀವು in writing ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ.
Please. Much.
Number 51, Dundappa Maldi.
As for petitioner, Mars 28A, Mars the land acquisition.
AGA is directed.
Already yesterday matter, Mars already taken notice.
Yes, correct.
But it is covered by decision, Mars page number 67. And accept
28.
Please, Mars.
28.
That's the.
ಇಲ್ವಾ ಏನು?
Yes. And the respondent
is. Flag ಹಾಕಿದೆ. Yes.
52, Kishore Sudhakar.
Anonymous, my lords. Petitioner is working as a superintendent, my lords. Superintendent in the 4th respondent college.
Consider representations.
Consider, please, my lords.
Consider. I'm for this respondent number 4, man.
By whom?
The 4th respondent, my lords, college.
This tomorrow fresh matters. Yes.
Please.
183, Manoj Jain.
Please, Your Lordship, when the main criminal proceedings have been quashed under Section 3 and 7 of Essential Commodities Act, Deputy Commissioner proceeds ahead to auction the goods, Your Lordship. It's a
ಈಗ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ auction?
ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. Similar judgment has been passed by this honorable court, produced at Annexure D.
Same order. ಇವರೇ petitioner ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. Yes.
Supply.
Hmm.
54, Shiba A.
Appear for petitioner. This matter, Your Lordship, petitioner had completed diploma in electronics, Your Lordship, and electric, Your Lordship, in the Bangalore, Your Lordship, technical institution. Thereafter, he had applied for the, Your Lordship, Donemalai, Your Lordship, in the Ballari, Your Lordship, or regard to the NMDC. And Your Lordship, he was working as a trainee in the Donemalai, Your Lordship. Thereafter, Your Lordship,
Who appears?
Notice has to go, Your Lordship.
ಯಾಕೆ NMDC ಯಾರಿಲ್ವಾ?
NMDC Gayatri Asar appears, Your Lordship.
ಮತ್ತೆ notice has to go ಅಂತ.
And
We are from the same office.
Oh, you still continue to be in the same office? Yes. Then ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Vijay Malali.
Vijay Malali, sir.
So and so. Appears for respondent, is directed to accept notice for the respondents. Third respondent ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಡ. For respondents 1 and 2, notice to the third respondent need not be issued for the present. Yes.
He got selected in my post, Your Lordship, wherein he has.
ಈಗ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. Oh, third respondent is selected candidate.
Selected. I challenge the selection list.
Emergent notice to this third respondent is already appointed.
Please, Your Lordship, I challenge the selection list, Your Lordship.
List the matter on emergent notice returnable by 12th December. The appointment of the third respondent shall remain subject to the result of the petition.
Please.
Yes, next.
5, KC Chakraborty.
Petitioner in this case, Lords. Writ of mandamus seeking direction to the respondent number 2 and 3 to release the EMD and FSD amount, Lords. First, the
ನೀರಾವರಿ ನಿಗಮ ಯಾರ ಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ?
Chetan Manvalli.
Learned counsel Chetan Manvalli is directed to accept notice for respondent 2 and 3, 1 AGA, Monday, fresh matters.
Yes, all three matters are connected.
All three, yes.
Same.
55, 56, 57. Next, KL Patil.
KL Patil.
To consider my representation, my promotion prospects are kept in a sealed
First to
cover.
consider, sir.
Respondent number 1 and 2, my lords.
Learned HCGP is
Take
directed
notice.
to accept notice
Criminal
for the
case is pending, Your Lordship, as during.
Monday, first, yes.
May I seek on fresh matters, my lords?
Fresh matters, yes.
59.
For petitioner, my lord. I am leaseholder of the forest land, my lord. I am running a tiles factory there, my lord, from 1958, my lord.
What are you running? Cheese factory, yeah?
Tiles factory, my lord. Tiles factory.
Tiles
factory. Tiles factory, my lord. From 1958, my lord. No, they are without issuing any notice, my lord, pending consideration of my application for extension of.
Learned AGA is directed. One ನಿಮಿಷ. Learned AGA is directed to accept notice for respondents. The petitioner to serve set of papers upon the aforesaid counsel, if not already served. The restore possession ಆಗಲ್ಲ sir. By interim.
ಲಾಕ್ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರು ವಿದೌಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್, ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್. ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Learned AGA to secure instructions and make his submissions. List the matter on Monday in the fresh matters list. Yes.
2nd of December, my lord. I will come there.
2nd,
2nd of December.
Yes.
Please.
I come.
My lord, I appeal for the petitioner, my lord. Lord, your lordship, my lord, on 18/11/2025, my lord, has stayed the order of suspension. Lord, on the very next day, my lord, he has been shifted on lien, my lord. It's not a regular transfer, my lord. Again at the
ಇಬ್ರು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಈಗ ಏನೋ ಮೆಮೊ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್.
Again at the dictates of my lord Lokayukta, my lord, your lordship may go through the.
Where is it?
My lord, page number 25, my lord. Page number 25 is the order, my lord. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ದೂರುದಾರರು ಸದರಿಯವರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಲಂಚದ ಹಣಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಲಾದ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಲ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ
ಕೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, my lord. again at the dictates.
ಸರಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷಕರ ಅಮಾನತು ಲೀನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಂತರಿಕ ಭದ್ರತಾ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ.
It's not a transfer, my lord, on lien.
ಲೀನು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ
No, my lord. Lord, because in my interim prayer itself, my lord, there was my.
Can't be posted
prayer.
back to the same. I am also of the same opinion.
Lord, in the judgment, my lord, which, my lord, we have.
Sunil Desai ಇದು.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು Lord, ತಾವೇನ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರಿ, he may be shifted to some other place ಅಂತ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿರಿ. My lord, it's not a transfer.
ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. May be shifted ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರ್ದಿರಿ.
ಹೌದು.
If I may be permitted, my lord.
ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಇವರು?
Rule 20, my lord. ACSR rules, my lord.
ಅವಿನಾಶ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ. Yes.
It's only my.
The petitioner is a relative. ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ.
Not because your lordship's judgment, my lord. It only says that you can't make a transfer at the dictates of my Lokayukta, my lord. That's my.
Correct.
Lord, let them, my lord. They will have to apply their own mind because ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಇವರು ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಲೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ ಸರ್. ಅದು ADGP ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾರಿ ಪವರ್. Yes, we'll take it on Monday. Look at Leonard HCGP is directed to accept notice.
1 to 4
on Monday.
In fresh matters. Oblige.
61 MS Harvey.
Sawmill license has been enhanced from 2,000 to 20,000.
Sawmill
license.
ಏನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನೀವು.
ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಗೊತ್ತು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ತಾವು. Annexure S. ಹೌದು, Annexure S.
Page
number 35 ಮೇಲೆ.
Interim order.
Interim order.
Tag same order. AC.
62.
Government advocate take notice all.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? Same.
Your lordship, serial number 62. Your lordship, serial number 62, your lordship. This is a matter which is similar to serial number 111. This is with regard to extension of NPS schemes to the government hospital doctors and paramedical staff. At 111, your lordship has already issued notice. This is a similar matter. Probably this will have to be tagged along with that.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್?
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
Adrilli notice matter. We are not seeking for any.
Tag along with
111.
111.
One and two government my lord.
Serial number 111.
Correct. 111 tag ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಡಿ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ ಫಾರ್ ಆರ್.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ. Is next list the matter on 12th December. Objections if any by then.
Please.
Grateful.
63. Suhas K. Usmani.
Petitioner, my lord, the petitioner request for inclusion for her inclusion in NPS from to OPS, my lords, has been rejected. However, my lords, there are guidelines which says that if the recruitment process is starting prior to 2006, my lords, such candidates may be as a one-time measure permitted.
HCGP is directed to accept notice for respondents.
1 to 4.
1 to 4, my lord.
4.
1 to 4. 4 to 8, I think.
5 to 7 is
Agriculture University.
Mali, sir, my lords. Ramchandra
Mali. 4 to 8, 5 to 8. Petitioner to serve set of papers upon the aforesaid council, 9th December. Next.
Please, my lords.
64.
My lords, my lords, I am the disabled, mentally disabled daughter of the lineman working for KPTCL, my lords. I am seeking family pension, my lords.
Your party in person the other day?
Yes, my lords.
Bar council?
Yes, my lords.
Oh.
That was a different matter.
What's your name?
Ravichandra Gowda Patil.
Yes. You got back your money?
Not yet, my lords. The order is to be corrected.
In under process. Yes.
I am the mentally disabled daughter of KPTCL.
Wait. 1 AGA 2, 3, 4, 5. KPTCL ಯಾರಾದರೂ Kamte sir?
Kamte sir.
BS Kamte. Yes. Petitioner to serve set of papers upon the aforesaid council. Yes.
Next date?
55.
10th.
Obliged.
Gayatri sir, your
The petitioner
certificate.
Caste certificate, it's not caste certificate.
ಮತ್ತೆ CC ಅಂತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
The petitioner herein belongs to Tadavara caste, which was amended and included in the ST. Circular dated, circular at Annexure G.
2022 circular.
Yes, is challenged before this honorable court, which says.
You're challenging it, why?
Yes. The reason is this, the circular states, the person appointed directly under the ST caste has to be given preferential over these persons who have been included by way of amendment, my lords.
Then ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಷ್ಟೇನೆ.
My lords, it is a settled, that is
No.
covered by a decision.
ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು decision ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, it's too rudimentary.
Yes.
Yes, you may have recognized it a tribe now, but they have remained tribes throughout.
The recognition is subsequent.
Treatment ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇ. What discrimination is this? Full bench.
Yes, my lords. There was a reference by the,
ಆಯ್ತು. ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
my lords, I'm seeking for the stay because.
They will grant of
Yes.
what?
On the
Comment
circular.
order.
My lords, the reason is this. Now, my lords, seniority lists are being prepared.
No, we'll decide it. List the matter on Monday, on Tuesday in fresh matters list. The learned AGA is directed to accept notice for respondents 1, 2, 3. All the respondents.
My lords, if that is implemented, seniority list would be affected, my lords. That is my sub.
That I will stay, not the benefit of the circular dated 11/10/2023, the respondent, which respondent?
Let's respond in.
KPTC ಅಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ನೀವು?
Let's, I'm the D. Devaraj, respondent number 5.
The benefit of the impugned circular respondent number 5 shall remain state till the next date. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Yes, next.
66, Anant Kumari Magdu.
I'll ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The learned counsel Gayatri SR appearing for the petitioner submits that the on the strength of the impugned circular, seniority list is being drawn which would cause grave prejudice to the petitioner, as the circular creates a class within a class, notwithstanding the fact that every person belonging to scheduled tribe would be a scheduled tribe. In that light, no seniority list shall be drawn on the strength of this impugned circular till the next date of hearing by the fifth respondent.
Great.
Yes.
66.
This is the matter, my lord, where I'm seeking for mandamus, my lord, directing the respondent number 1, change of arbitrator.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ Union of India party ಇದಾರಾ?
Union of India is the party. I have already served the copy of central government.
But enter ಮಾಡೋ ಕಷ್ಟ.
Interim are already existing in another matter, my lord.
One, ಯಾರು MB Kanvi?
Please, ma'am.
MB Kanvi, 2 and 3 Shivsai Patil.
2, my lord, Shivsai Patil, 3 government, my lord.
3 AGA.
4 is Rakesh Bilki.
4?
Rakesh Bilki.
Rakesh Bilki, so and so. ಅದು ಯಾವತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ?
Sorry.
That is third, same day, yes.
Please, ma'am. Great.
Sir, petitioner to serve set of papers upon the aforesaid council forthwith. Next.
Please, ma'am. Great.
7. Mallikarjun.
148 notices issued bypassing the provisions of 148A on the ground that there was a 132A requisition and a consequent takeover of cash, which appears to be factually incorrect. They are still fighting the issue before the court, seeking for custody of the cash. And second thing is the approval has been granted based on this premise that there was.
Seized cash is 293.50 lakhs.
That is still in court custody. They are fighting for that. They have in fact gone for relaxing the conditions earlier imposed. But based on the allegation that 132A has been initiated and cash taken over, they have bypassed 148A mandatory provisions and issued 148 notice. And further, my files have been transferred from
Let him see. Heard the council opinion.
I'm not sure. The file is not given to us. And this is a central circle matter. Search case, as per the submission, it is a search case.
No, it's not a search case. That's the state.
Seizure.
Seizure.
Not in a search proceeding.
No, there is no 132A.
We'll have to see the file.
You notice the one thing.
Yes, it's true.
Learned counsel M. Tirumalesh and Rupa accepts notice for respondents.
And so far as the other 2 respondents, they are out of the state. They have to be issued notice to them.
Pune and illa ಒಂದೇ ಇರೋದು Pune. Maharashtra.
One is in Maharashtra. In fact, my files have been transferred from Maharashtra to Karnataka.
M. Tirumalesh and Rupa accepts notice for respondents 1 and
2.
Hello. 1, 2 illa. 2 no outside, paralva?
Only 1 is.
1 and 5.
Only 1 is in.
That end.
5.
Belgaum.
Yes.
Bangalore.
That's the deputy director.
Sorry. 5 and 1.
1 and,
One
yeah,
and
1
five,
and
yes.
5.
Others we will see later.
Let them issue a notice, take a
That can be
notice.
done. We can take out notice. Because there's a challenge against the transfer order.
Urgent notice to respondents 2, 3, 4, returnable by the 12th of December. We'll take
I've
it
asked
on
for
12th.
interim stay.
What interim
Further
stay?
proceedings pursuant to 148. Because it appears to be patently unauthorized, bypasses the
That we'll
Supreme
see.
Court judgment.
On the strength of the impugned order, no precipitative action shall be taken against these petitioners.
So we are required to file the return before
10th
30th.
December.
11th December.
Obligement.
ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಸರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 233 ಇದೆ ಎರಡು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಸರ್ 2 minutes 233 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಎರಡಿದೆ I'll take it. Yes.
Bill number 1, VM Shilvan.
Case number.
8958.
Advocates Association Bagalkot.
Please. My lords, there was an election held in year 2004, my lords. There were
2004.
2024, sorry.
Yes.
Apologies.
ಎಲ್ಲ 20 ವರ್ಷ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Apologies. Two candidates contested for the post of president, my lords, who got equal votes, my lords. They mutually consented to hold post of president for one year, my lords. The candidate who hold the post for first year, my lords, they have filed a suit, and the other team have expelled them, saying that that was the case, false case that they have been filed against the Bar Association of the Bagalkot, my lords. Now that particular resolution have challenged before this honorable court, my lords. This honorable court on 29, annexure F may be kindly seen, my lords.
It is stayed.
Stayed. That resolution is stayed, my lords.
We'll tag it along with that.
Please. And the same, they have complained before the DRO, my lords. Now DRO, without considering objections filed by us and without considering the fact that this honorable court have been already stayed the resolution, they have passed an inquiry order, my lords. That was fixed on 27th, my lords.
Tag this petition page. Which is that page?
50, my lords, page number 50.
Page 50, same order. The proceedings of inquiry. In the light of the interim order operating in the companion petition, in the aforesaid petition, inquiry of any kind that is now directed to be held shall remain stayed.
Please. Great.
ಎರಡು ಅದೇನಾ? ಇಲ್ವಂತ ವಕ್ಫ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ನಿಮ್ದೇನಾ?
VM Shilvante. But in this matter, my
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
lords.
ಬಿಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
She is submitting about first matter.
First matter, my lords.
Oh, first matter. Sorry.
The interim order is in page number, annexure F, my lords, in page number 35, 36, 37. The inquiry order was in page number 50, my lords.
35, 36, 37. ಇದು tag along with.
Annexure H is under challenge, wherein direction is issued to hold elections, and calendar of events are also issued, my lords. But there are irregularities in the elections. My lords may kindly see, without giving us an opportunity of becoming a member, they are now conducting elections, my lords, and also they are
section 83. I will not interfere.
For a moment, my lords may kindly see annexure J. They are the managing committee of the other institution, and they are permitted to become member of this institution.
83. Tribunal.
There are irregularities which are apparent from the face of record.
ಆಯ್ತು. Will serve on Muhammad Ali.
Please. Taken up tomorrow.
Tomorrow? ಯಾಕೆ election ಯಾವತ್ತು?
Election is on 26th.
Serve on Muhammad Ali list tomorrow. Fresh matters. Yes, ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Please.
Bill number 3, Umesh Ainapur.
The proceedings is going on before the DRT.
Hold money.
Please. This is the caveator.
caveator 2:30 ಯಾಕೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? caveator ಇದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2:30 tomorrow fresh matters.
Motions ready to be issued.
Tomorrow fresh matters. caveator ಇದ್ರೆ 2:30. They are not expected to be here.
Inform to the
information.
They issue the one.
Tomorrow fresh matters.
Already issue the notice to the.
Tomorrow fresh matters. ಏನು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
total 77 lakh 55,000 my lord.
ನಾಳೆ ಒಂದು
Already
20 ಲಕ್ಷ ಡಿ ಡಿ
my lord,
ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ.
as per tribunal order, he has complied the 24 lakh my lord.
Yes, tomorrow morning.
Please.
ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಸರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್? ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಸರ್.
But there are three matters, all income tax. One is at serial number 100 minutes. The issue is very simple. About the assessee petitioner before my lords has gone in for Vivad se Vishwas scheme. And my lords, he has filed the applicable forms 1 and 2. Then form 3 is issued by the authority determining refund of 2 crore 62 lakhs. Subsequently, after withdrawal of the requisite appeals, form 5 was issued. And my lords, form 5 was issued on 24/2 of 2021, reiterating the amount of refund. But then, my lords, the refund was not given till, my lords, on 10/1/2024. As per, my lords, the central action plan, within 90 days, or, my lords, by 31st of July of 2021, refund ought to have been granted. Whereas, my lords, there is a delay of about 893 days, if reckoned from that day, till 10/1/2024, my lords. On this amount, my lords, the petitioner prays for interest, my lords. It is not an interest under the Income Tax Act. Because, my lords, under the VSVS scheme, the interest under the Income Tax Act, which is available under 244A, is not to be granted. But this is up to the time, my lords, when the dispute is settled. This is a case where
No, Vivad se Vishwasalli is correct.
Yes,
until the amount is given to you, till that date interest.
Yes, my lords, till that date.
Vivad se Vishwas operates on a different footing.
In fact, my lords, the several
But have
honorable-
Vishwas in Vivad.
And not only that, my lords, the additional prayer before my lords is that on 10/1/2024, when this refund was granted, my lords, with a delay of 893 days, the department ought to have granted interest on that day, which hence became a part of refund. And from that date till date, my lords, on that interest, the department is liable to pay interest. This is no more res integra, my lords, because
Interest on interest.
It's not actually interest on interest in that sense. It is not chakrabaddi, my lords, not in that sense. It is a case where, my lords, the department is duty bound to have given it along with the interest. Fact that they did not give, my lords, so much of the interest that was not given would partake the character of refund itself, and hence would be eligible for, my lords. So this, my lords, the Honorable Supreme Court in HEG's case, as well as the Honorable Karnataka High Court in Syndicate Bank's case has held. So. My lords, on the eligibility to the interest, my lords, basic interest, my lords may kindly take page 52 in this compilation. There are so many decisions of various honorable high courts. I am just citing one or two, my lords, for this purpose. The Honorable High Court of Rajasthan, my lords, at page 52, Jvejesh Acharya versus ITO. My lords will find in para 15, 16, 17, my lords, the operating part of it.
Yes, sir.
Then, my lords, the decision of Honorable Delhi High Court in Anjul versus Office of PCIT, which my lords will find it at page 55. And operating part, my lords, will find it at para 12 and 13. This is as regards to basic interest is concerned, my lords, up to 12/1/2024. Then, my lords, insofar as interest on interest is concerned, my lords, I would rely on two more decisions, my lords. My lords, page 151. The decision of Honorable Supreme Court, my lords, in CIT versus HEG. If my lords were to kindly go to para 7, There, my lords, the Honorable Supreme Court explains that what was interest up till a particular point in time, when not paid, will partake the character of principal sum, and hence would be eligible for, my lords, the interest. That has been echoed by this Honorable High Court, my lords, in CAT versus Syndicate
That's
Bank.
what, when you don't pay interest, that becomes the corpus for further interest.
Exactly.
That's all.
That's it. That's it. Therefore, my lords, our humble prayer, my lords, is to direct the department to grant interest as well as.
Sir.
Milords, this refund, what has happened, of course, I would take the usually defense what is taken that side. The defense is that COVID period.
Yes, sir.
COVID period, this Form 5 was issued on.
ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
24/2/21, the Form 5 was issued. And what happened is they pushed the refund. Actually, they pushed it. Of course, there is a little delay. That is, if you the COVID period is until 20.
This must have been considered by some court, COVID period also. Ilva?
Even for the government, it is applicable because that.
Of course, COVID was for everyone.
That's why many limitation periods had been extended, and which were in challenge also. But still, the Supreme Court ruling has prevailed to say that the limitation would apply even to the government. Now the question is, what happened is that I read from the Tarawai's comments is that the account which was given was discontinued, closed. So therefore, it had rebounded, and because of the rebounding, the refund got stuck somewhere, and they had to verify with the bank account. If my learned senior counsel is aware of that, I am not sure, but that is what I get to know from the facts that. The account was closed and they gave another account, and therefore that account was this thing. I'm not saying there is no delay. There was a delay, but because of COVID period and also because of the additionally this is also has happened, and that's why there was delay. So anyway, if learned friend says that normal interest is fine, we will close it.
Bargain
I'm asking only for the normal interest, which is 6%. Yes. Which is half of what I would get if my money is with the department.
Yes. SBI account last year 2.95.
Vehemently opposed it.
Well, heard reserved. Yes, we'll write a order considering all the judgments.
Lords.
So that becomes a compendium.
Yes.
So like a reserve. Yes. Heard the learned senior counsel and Chaitanya appearing for the petitioner, and learned counsel M. Tirumalesh along with Rupa. Heard reserved. Yes.
Serial number 139.
Same,
it's a slightly different case. It's a case, my lords, where the revenue seeks to reassess the petitioner's case.
148.
139, this matter I seek for time because I hardly could open the file because he had two other matters, and we know learned senior counsel's papers are so thick. And moreover,
his papers are definitely, but submissions are precise. You will not.
No, my lord, the other issue is that the similar matter he has filed in Bangalore court, and I am given to instruction that it has to be argued there.
No, I would clarify. I would not labor on the issue which is pending in the Honorable Karnataka High Court. That issue I would not even press here if my lords are with
Bangalore bench.
Bangalore bench, of course. If my lords are with me on the basic issue, lords, it's a case of reassessment. The revenues case is I have sold certain land and I am liable to pay capital gains tax. But a notice comes to us saying that you are liable to pay capital gains tax, therefore your income has escaped assessment. The petitioner, my lords, replies stating that this is a land gifted to me by my mother-in-law. Gift deed is given. Under section 64, subsection 1, clause 4 of the Income Tax Act, my lords, if an individual, which would include mother-in-law as well, transfers a property to her or his daughter-in-law, otherwise done for adequate consideration, meaning gift, my lords, whatever income that would arise from that property would not be charged to tax in the hands of the daughter-in-law, but would be charged to tax in the hands of the transferor. These are called clubbing provisions. This was brought to the notice of the Income Tax Department saying that you are seeking to tax daughter-in-law's capital gains which couldn't have been charged to tax because under the Act, there's a clear mandate that it has to be charged to tax in the hands of the transferor. This was the submission made. So basic premise of income escaping assessment does not arise. Now, my lords, as per the then existing position, whenever a reassessment notice is issued, my lords, the assessee has to file a return and ask for the reasons. This is the decision of Honorable Supreme Court in GK and Drive Shaft 259 ITR 19, my lords, where the Honorable Court made procedure was given. Then, my lords, the assessee has to ask for reasons. Assessee sought
Reasons will then be delivered.
then my lords,
rendered.
I'll have to file the objections. In the objections at Annexure L, page 172, I have raised this issue saying that this is hit by section 6414, therefore, it is not my income. The learned assessing officer, as per the mandate of Honorable Supreme Court in GK, ought to have
Some disturbance always. Yes, sir.
ought to have considered this objection and ought to have dealt with it. Whereas in impugned Annexure C, my lords, the learned assessing officer doesn't even deal with this. So therefore, a humble submission, lords, is a clear case of no income at all escaping assessment. Unless and until, my lords, there is some supposition.
So independent of what is pending before the principal
Exactly,
bench,
my lords.
we can take it.
Yes.
But this particular case, facts of this case, he would require time because of two protagonists in the lighter way, daughter-in-law and mother-in-law.
I am fine, my lords. Let him take, my lords, if not inconvenient to
He
my
has to
lords.
decipher क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी.
Otherwise, this would not detain my lords for long. 10th is, are my lords fine on 10th?
10th, yes, fine.
So 10th.
Tirumala sir, 10th.
10th is a Monday.
No, no.
10th is not a Monday.
Wednesday. Pardon? Wednesday.
ನೀವು ನವೆಂಬರ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Wednesday. 11th.
Whenever.
11th is Tuesday. Is it okay?
No, no,
11th is Thursday,
11th has
sir.
to be Thursday. 10th should be fine, Mr. Tirumala.
11th, 10th.
But the other day, I mean, the other
The other matter is on 11th.
serial number 67, I gave 11th, thinking that seeing at that calendar.
ನವೆಂಬರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು.
Maybe taken up on 9th or
9th. 10th or 11th.
10th, okay, Madam.
10th. ಅದನ್ನು 10th ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ?
Yes.
The other matter also. 67 10th ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ.
Otherwise, it would not take my lord's.
This won't take much
This is
time, not a
covered by
problem.
Honorable Supreme Court decision. Then there is one more matter which my learned friend, would he be ready to 130, 140, 140? Would we take?
Three matter, it will take some time, my lords.
What is the matter about?
This again, my lords, this is a case of 263, my lords, suo motu revision. Here is a case where a notice, my lords, this for the assessment year 16-17. The time for the commissioner to revise would be 2 years from the end of the financial year. The order sought to be revised is passed.
Correct. Orders ought to be revised.
Order
is passed. Now, which is the assessment year?
Assessment year may be 16-17.
So it is 31-12,
No,
31-3.
The end of the financial year in which the order sought to be revised is passed.
Is passed.
Is passed.
All right. What is the order passed?
Order was passed, my lords, in 11-12-2019.
Revisional order, revisional proceedings?
No, my lords. So end of that financial will be 31st March of 2020.
Correct.
2 years will be 31st March of 2022.
Correct.
My lords, what the learned commissioner does is, he will issue a notice dated 21st of March, which is just about 9 days. In the said notice, which is dated 21st but is received by the petitioner before my lords on 25th, he doesn't even mention the correct assessment here. He mentions assessment year 17-18, which is not just a typographical error.
Deliberate.
No, it is a proper error, not just a typo error. I would not say, my lords, forever it's deliberate. It's a proper error because financial year is mentioned, the previous year is correct, wrongly mentioned, assessment is wrongly mentioned. In the income tax ITBA portal also, where, my lords, all these proceedings are expected to be captured, there also, my lords, the incorrect assessment year is mentioned. Then, my lords, this notice was not actually served on the assessee. Assessee came to notice it through the ITBA portal accidentally on 29th. And as he was wanting to reply to it, stating that the said transaction did not take place in that year, a corrigendum was issued, which corrigendum was issued on 29th, asking assessee to appear on 30th, which the assessee gets it on 30th, and the revision order is passed on 31st. So, my lords, the basic aspects, my lords may even take it on 10th, because again, this did not take time.
No, my lord, the first notice was served as he
Light
said.
to
I will have to.
On 25th.
10th will take it.
I'm only broadly mentioning it, like to show my lords why both are bad and honest.
So it has to go back.
No, my lords. There is a limitation. My lords, limitation of time.
When it is, Tirumala, sir, when it is a question of limitation, no question of going back,
Exactly.
because answer to limitation is only two, yes or no. It can never be a maybe.
It is admitted that it is an error.
We'll see. We'll see. On 10th, yes.
And if not inconvenient to my lords, may these be put on fresh matters, my lord, or 2:30 or fresh matters.
2:30 will take it.
2:30.
All these three matters where both of you are there. Will take one reserve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಎರಡು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
Yes, my lords.
ಇನ್ನು ಎರಡು 2:30 ತಗೊಂಡು.
2:30 on 10th, my lords.
10th, yes.
Grateful.
Your Lordship, one small matter, Mr. Chandrasekhar is here.
ಏನದು?
It's a very short matter, 106 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಡಿಲೇನಾ?
ಅದು VSVS scheme ಅಲ್ಲಿ they have applied belatedly, they have paid the balance amount, and they have been, the previous bench had directed that you pay the interest amount. You have paid the interest amount. If you make
ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಆ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಆ scheme 2020 scheme ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಅದು. Can we direct consideration?
I am relying on one judgment of Honorable Delhi High Court, my lords. In the identical case, Delhi High Court said payment of interest, it could be considered because VSVS is ultimately.
Same order. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ judgment ಅದು?
It's annexed to my
my
lords.
objection is that only.
Your objection vehemently opposed.
But they have paid the interest at 9%. I have suggested pay at 18%. He gives me a working saying that even at 12%, what is paid is good enough.
In fact, I have paid more, my lords.
All right.
Even at 12%, I have paid
विवाद
more.
में विश्वास रहना चाहिए.
No, in fact, I suggested that any interest further to be paid, I am ready to pay, my lords.
All right. Disposed on Delhi High Court terms.
I have annexed the judgment.
Sincere apologies. May I make a submission? Moved matter, my lords, just as.
What are you moving now again?
Hand delivery.
Handle.
My lord, with the lordship's kind permission, Lord, 2:30.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, my lord.
4:30 ಆಗೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. Yes, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Granted, who should pay salary?
My lord, I just wanted to make one submission. Under the AICT regulations, my lord, that is approval process, the regulation.
ಇದು ಧಾರವಾಡದ್ದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಧಾರವಾಡದ್ದೇ ತಾನೆ? Oh, yes, yes.
My lord, if the courses or the program are to be closed, then the permission from the AICT is mandatory. That is one aspect. So far as the relieving the teachers are concerned, under section 80 subclass A of the Education Act, then my lord, there must be a notice to the teachers. This has been considered by my lord Justice Nataraj J. My lord, the judgment has been given. Now, my lord, there are four aspects of the matter. One is 4/12/2010 it was taken over. There was a dispute between the management and the government, and in a contempt on 9/7/2019, final my lord, taking over process was completed on 9/7/2009. The entire institution was taken over. The right to reserve so far as unaided is concerned is not there.
Synopsis ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Oh, short.
We have also filed, your lordship.
ನೀವು ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾರಾ?
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಮೊದಲೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ
Chronological events we have filed, your lordship. Objections were
Now
also filed.
from 2010, my lord, till 2024, we were under the control and the supervision of the state government. They conducted all the classes, my lord. Suppose, my lord, if the petitions are dismissed, what is the remedy for us, my lord? Where should we go? Is the question. Therefore, closing of courses without a permission from the AICT is one of the factors which are in our favor, madam. Then we filed a writ petition and the contempt. AIC restored the recognition to continue the courses. The government is coming in the way, madam. Ultimately, my learned friend, in the additional documents we have produced, madam, the last document, Annexure AP, page 61, what the government says, ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಪಾಲಿಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಪ್ರವೇಶದ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Now, my lord, this is a position and this recognition has to be continued. If they don't want, my lord, the 3 courses, as is evident from the report of the government before taking over, there is no difficulty in paying salary to these unaided courses. We want that the entire institution should be handed over to the management. That is my submission.
We have 12 acres.
But from 2010 to 2025, without a single $5 they have worked. That's the position. How can the government say now we don't pay the salary? There is a report by the Commissioner of Public Instruction that, sorry, the Director of Public.
Teachers not being paid salary.
Your Lordship, 2010 government has taken over, Your Lordship. Grant in aid in the year, Your Lordship,
2001.
2001. Subsequently, Your Lordship, for 4 courses. Subsequently, in their 2002, they have started another 3, 2002, 1 course, Your Lordship, that is mechanical engineering. And 2007, Your Lordship, information technology, and another course has been started, Your Lordship. It was the condition, Your Lordship. And in the year 2010, we have taken over the college, Your Lordship. But insofar as only grant in aid courses, not which were not at all granted, Your Lordship. And
So these are teachers working in
please, Your Lordship.
unaided posts.
Please, Your Lordship. In my objections also, I have clearly stated, Your Lordship, regarding the persons now who are before this honorable court, who are seeking regularization or appointment, Your Lordship, they were the one and the same of management, and lecturers are one and the same, Your Lordship. Even I have, in my statement of objection, I have stated.
This statement is contrary to earlier submissions.
Submissions, sir.
Submissions mirrored in the it is
No. Objections alli ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಾ? ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಾ?
This is not their stand.
Your Lordship, there were 3 103399 of 25.
Malad, the order itself speaks that it is the management, the samsthe tagondidare, not the aided or
103399.
It is the institution was taken over by the government. It is not the courses. That is why I cited the Supreme Court judgment. It is not in the chair and the table they are taking over. They are taking over the courses. They are taking over the lands of 12 acres of land out of 16. And if they don't want to
land
pay
is concerned,
the teachers, 12 ಎಕರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ, ನಾವು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Let them surrender, my lord.
Gondi Education Society.
Examination duty. These teachers allotted, yesterday.
These very teachers.
These very teachers.
Your Lordship, it is the management who has to look into, Your Lordship.
That's government.
15 ವರ್ಷ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್
No, one factor I'm telling you. Don't make teachers work without salary.
Your Lordship, management is looking after, Your Lordship, their salary. We are not saying that we are not giving, we will not give. But the management, they are the staff after the government has taken over, Your Lordship. 2002, 2007, they have started, Your Lordship.
Exactly what submission you made in that Vaibhavis case, where I have directed salary to be paid.
Please, Your Lordship.
Correct.
This is a grant in aid agilla yurdu. These courses are not in grant in aid, Your Lordship. Where they are in the, and they are the management, Your Lordship. They themselves are the management.
So teachers say management. Management is teachers. Now you tell me what is your case.
103399 when we have visited.
ಮೃತ್ಯುಂಜಯ್ ಯಾವುದು? ನಿಮ್ದು ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು?
The short grievance is, Lord, when the management is taken over by the government, with premises, teachers, Lord, students, fees, infrastructure, and management completely vest with the government. Lord, there are
No, there is one thing.
Yes.
See, there are 4 types of grants. If you see the grant in aid code, it is one is salary grant, a salary grant illa, one maintenance grant, one equipment grant, one construction grant. Innondu there are 4 types of grants. Which grant was given to you, whether it was maintenance grant or construction grant, which grant?
Lord, it was teachers' salary, Lord, which was paid. From
Teachers' salary?
Lord, for the 4 courses.
No. Course grant anta grant in aid code illa. That is why I am asking avaginda. How can you give grant to particular courses and not to other courses? What rationale? In student strength ilva, teachers ilva, ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು subject grant ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ?
Inability of the management.
1986 ಅಲ್ಲಿ where after 15 years of the college is running, your lordship, then they will take over that will be the condition, your
So
lordship.
the entire institution ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನೀವು ಆಮೇಲೆ.
First, but the grant in aid is given in their 2001, your lordship, only for the 4 courses, your lordship, not all the courses. Subsequently, in their 2002, they have started another course, and 2007 also another course they have started. They were not before grant in aid.
Without permission?
With grant
with permission, but grant irlilla. So 2001 ನಲ್ಲಿ when you took over the institution or brought the institution in the ambit of maintenance grant, salary grant, whatever you call, awaga there were particular courses. So courses purti tagondri. Amal new introduction of courses ge you are not liable is what you say. Ashte case. But for the last 15 years they have been working.
They were working in those courses, your lordship.
No. Now the new courses, who is the management here?
Well, I am for the teachers. Management,
management.
I am for the management. Taking over was
Sir
on
is appearing for
4/12.
Sir is appearing for you. Alla sir ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದಾರಾ?
4/12/2010 taking over.
There is one more petition filed by senior.
Sari. Yes, now 2001 ನಲ್ಲಿ you are teachers alva? You are those teachers who are not brought under the grant?
Yes,
alva? Now 2000, when were you appointed?
I have a chart.
2003, Malay.
Lord, first petition in my petition is 2003. Then Milord,
course introduce ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗ?
This course, Milord, was in 2000.
ಮೃತ್ಯುಂಜಯ,
2003.
ಚಾರಿಟಿ ಇದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. See, you are teachers who the government alleges that you are working under unaided post because these courses were started after the grant. Now you should demonstrate that on 2003, when you are appointed, on that day, the course was known to the government, approval was there or otherwise. Or you should drive home the point that this piecemeal grant could not be taken.
Milord, that is precisely, Milord. This is a ACSC institution. When Milord management took over the institution, management was taken over. The 15 years rider that is prescribed for all other institution is relaxed so far as this institution is concerned. Milord, there is a government order.
Malad, taking over on 4/12/2010, Malad, both aided and unaided. All these, Malad, argument, it was commenced after the grant in aid will lose its significance. That is how, my Lord Justice Suraj Govindra said, once the institution is taking over, the question of aided unaided would not arise at all. And when the process of taking over was completed pursuant to contempt on 9/7/2019, entire institution was taken over, not the 4 courses. That is most important. Now for 15 years they conducted both aided and unaided under the umbrella of the government.
Interpret the government 1998 code. Madam, this will have far-reaching consequences. You get the grant in aid code. There are several government orders passed on the grant in aid code. On those circulars, government is now taking courses, taking this course, because there are reasons indicated saying either students illa, either leave illa, adilla, they ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ. But if there is an order passed, once institution is taken, it is taken. ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೆ, then which is
There is one
Suraj,
clause,
Justice Suraj order ಯಾವುದು?
ಅವ್ರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು writ petition.
Blood from 2010 to 2024, government alone conducted all the 7 courses. Till they returned.
Madam, if that what senior counsel is saying is correct, you can't escape payment of salary.
Your Lordship, 2010 only we have taken over. This is an admitted. And what was the condition, Your Lordship? Who are granting aid, Your Lordship, we have taken over. And subsequently granting aid, which were the granting aid, Your Lordship, we have.
Where is the order of taking over the institution, sir?
Malad annexure A, Malad. Malad, page 22.
Document not.
Page 22, Malad.
E4
In WP number 103-11, page 22.
ಕೊಡಿ madam.
Page 27 is the relevant portion. Typed copy. 4th of December 2010. ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಈ ಕೆಳಗಂಡ ಷರತ್ತುಗೊಳಪಟ್ಟು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವಶಕ್ಕೆ ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು
ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನೇ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ವಶಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Then, my lads, kindly go to my lord, page 44. In a contempt final order, ರೂರಲ್ ಪಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಾರಿಯಾಳ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ವಶಕ್ಕೆ ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಆದೇಶಿಸಿದೆ. ಪೇಜ್ 44.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೋಟಿ ಸಂಬಳ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
Their argument is clause number 3 in that order.
Both 7 courses were brought under the seat matrix.
Government.
By the government, not by the management.
Page.
Page 44, my lord, is the final order. ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವರಿಸುವ ಅಂಶಗಳ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖವಂದ ಮತ್ತು ಆದೇಶಗಳ ಷರತ್ತುಗಳು SGES ರೂರಲ್ ಪಾಲಿಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ತಾರಿಯಾಳ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ವಶಕ್ಕೆ ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಆದೇಶಿಸಿದೆ. There is no bifurcation of aided or unaided, my lords. This is in pursuance of the contempt.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
Now, page 43, my lords. Same page.
40.
Respondents 1 and 2, page 43. Your lordship get the direction about the payment of salary. The respondents 1 and 2, the government is hereby directed to expedite the process of taking over the institution as per the government order. Respondent 1 to 4 are here directed to consider the request of the petitioner with respect to regularization of their posts as well as payment of salary. The petitioners are also hereby directed to give a detailed representation. That is how, my lord. Then there is the recommendation by the Director of Technical Education that the salary to be payable by the department. Your lordship gets at page 53. Page 52, annexure E. ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಈ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
entire institution you have taken over.
Now, my lord, they returned the 3 courses in 2024. Then we moved
Return ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. They say we will not pay you salary. Then we filed a writ petition, mandamus was issued, AICT granted the recognition. Then, my lord, it was not complied, we filed a contempt. AICT said the recognition has been restored on 12/2/2024. Now the director of technical education says, no, we will not allow you to take admission. That is how, my lord, the staff has come before this court, stating that either you pay me salary. Now the management says, if you are not taking 3 courses, you return my 12 acres of land, I will sell 12 acres, pay the salary. Now, my lord, to close down the courses, AICT rule says, they will have to get a permission from the AICT. Like private education institution, 105, my lord, any courses, they will have to get the permission from the authorities. They can't just close down the courses. Now they returned our marks cards on 28/3/2024. Therefore, we have come before this court. 15 ವರ್ಷ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವರು ಬದುಕೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ, ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ?
ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, my learned friend has included unaided courses in the seat matrix, collected the fees, and that fees has to be payable towards the staff salary as per the Dental Council of India judgment, 5 judges.
Yes. Yes, Pratyunjay.
I supplement.
Same. Madam,
Your Lordship,
ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ salary?
salary management is giving, Your Lordship. We have given the salary to the who are unaided courses. There is no provision to run unaided courses, Your
Entire
Lordship.
institution you've taken over, furniture ಸೇರಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Student fees.
Student fees is not all taken, Your Lordship. The management is running. So far as 3 courses are concerned, Your Lordship, management is taken over. Management is taking and they are giving the salary to the teachers, Your Lordship. They are giving the teachers. Management is giving the salary to the teachers, Your Lordship. Insofar as 3 unaided courses, Your Lordship. When we have taken over, Your Lordship, all the entire management, Your Lordship, insofar as 3 courses when unaided iddaga there is no provision to government.
Lord, this is, my lord, the work chart.
ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ, work chart. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ examination work ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ಕೊಡಿ.
I am also maybe.
ನೀವು ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ.
Because I will verify, Your Lordship, what is the present.
I'll not pass order today. I'll pass orders on Tuesday. Even I have to go through everything and I'll do it.
Relieving orders, I'll file it along with the memo.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆಮೊ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Please.
My lord, that AICT approval books I sent it, that without the permission of the AICT, they cannot close down any courses. Then 105 of the Education Act, without the permission from the department, they can't close. This is the general principle. 77 SCC 508, Supreme Court deals with the same question. 77 SCC 508 minutes. That paragraph that we have extracted, that the same judgment. Now the AICT restored the recognition.
Your Lordship, one more submission, Your Lordship. On 16/2/2022, Your Lordship, even government has wrote a letter. We don't have a power to run the unaided courses in the government institution. Unaided courses will not survive. So we have directed them to close those courses also, Your Lordship. But they have not done so. And what they are saying is, Your Lordship, they are already appointed and they were working, they are entitled for salary. Who has to pay the salary, Your Lordship? Management has to pay the salary.
Granted institution, madam, entire institution is granted.
Entire institution was taken insofar as granting 8 courses, Your Lordship. Not insofar as, we have already stated, Your Lordship, in the.
So, ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು whatever has happened later check ಮಾಡಿ.
Yes.
ಮಂಗಳವಾರ.
One submission. So far as the second petitioner in my petition, my lord, would attain superannuation by end of this month.
All right, no problem. ಹಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ದು ಸೂಪರ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ. List the matter on Tuesday. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
Please, Your Lordship.
This is
My lord,
ramifications.
Please,
that
Your Lordship.
AICT manual will pass it on to you. Page
AICT?
82, AICT, my lord, the admission rules where any program, my lords, they have to close down, they must seek a prior permission. Government cannot close down, my lords. By saying, by writing a letter, we are returning your marks cards.
All right.
We have not written letter, we have written letter to the management, Your Lordship, which are unaided
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
courses.
ಆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು. My lord, page
List on,
82 in the
And one more submission, Your Lordship.
We'll take it, we'll pass orders on Tuesday, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Students were also filed, they have made the students to file a writ petition and saying that, Your Lordship, we are the students, namdu course ಗೆ, let them.
Education matter.
Please, Your Lordship. Then this honorable court has stated, after completion of the academic year, Your Lordship, of those students, close the courses ಅಂತ no direction ಇದೆ.
ಅದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡು. Tuesday will dictate.
In all the matters, Your Lordship, have filed objections and in one
For me to go
petition,
through,
Your
I've
Lordship,
taken time.
state, one affidavit also filed, Your Lordship, we are unable, we are not, we will not take the another courses, Your Lordship. Anta one affidavit an officer has filed, Your Lordship.
15 ವರ್ಷ ನೀವು ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್
ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ 15 ವರ್ಷ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹುಡುಗರನ್ನ ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ತು 12 ನೀವು ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು?
Your Lordship, when we have visit ಹೋದಾಗ, there were no students at all in the college. And there were no lecturers, there were no classes, and they have given in writing also, Your Lordship, the principal.
Don't tell me vacant land ittu anta.
Classes, the classes were not at all running, Your Lordship. The students were not there. That is also
ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ
have.
ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
My lord, the committee was constituted. Committee said every course should be given a grant. Sufficient students were there, and they have included all students, aided, unaided, in a seat matrix.
Submission is contrary to their own inspection.
ಇವ್ರು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ದಾ? ಅವ್ರದಾ? ಸೀನಿಯರ್ submission is contrary.
ಇಲ್ಲ, I'm sorry.
ಇಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. I have went through the student strength. I went through the.
Yes. All right, sir. Tuesday.
Submitting insofar as not in need.
Tuesday, yes. Next. Continue, ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ?
Number 68.
DCF is already paid.
ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
DCF
4 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ 40 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನೋಟಿಸ್ 25 ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
Land council submits needful has been done, office to verify.
Returnable by ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ.
ಏನಿದು?
Returnable by notice date ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಮಲೋಡ.
Returnable by January 1st week. Returnable by the 12th of December. List on 12th December. Yes.
69 KL Patil.
This is the matter where in respect of accused, all other accused, your lordships is pleased to quash the proceedings. Anil Kale has appeared in all other cases.
Lokayuktana?
Lokayukta. Previously ACB was there, I filed IA for substitution.
Hangare dispose ಮಾಡ್ಬೋಣ. Reserving liberty to file another petition.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬೇಡ.
ಭಾಗೀರಥಿ ಭಟ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಭಾರತಿ ಭಟ್, ಸಾರಿ.
ಭಾರತಿ ಭಟ್ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಭಾಗೀರಥಿ ಭಟ್. Where is Anil Kale? Serve ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ.
I'll serve tomorrow. Your lordships may kindly have it in fresh matters.
Tomorrow fresh matters. We'll dispose it. Yes.
Lordships may kindly show Anil Kale's name.
Learned, they registered to print the name of Anil Kale as appearing for the respondent. List tomorrow. Next.
71, Vinayak SC.
70, 107, nah? 107.
My lords, this is the case of detention proceedings under 129 being converted to confiscation proceedings under
Notice
section.
ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Pardon, madam.
List the matter on Tuesday.
My lords, there is
Already granted an interim order.
This is a covered matter, judgment covered matter.
Covered,
Objections.
Tuesday, yes, Tuesday beda. Objections andre list the matter on 9th September,
Lords.
9 December.
There is extreme urgency. My material is held up from 4th October.
I have
May
not to sell anta ಮಾಡಿದಿನಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
Today, tomorrow, my lords, please.
No, let him, he is seeking time to file objections. Covered ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಿ?
Just a minute.
Covered ನೋಡಿಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು?
This is Rajiv Traders versus Union of India.
ಕೊಡಿ ಅವರು ಕೊಡಿ ನನಗಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡಿ list on Tuesday 2nd December. Yes.
Extreme urgency.
Extreme urgency.
Please.
2nd December. Yes.
Which applies, my lords.
Gaurav Sandhu.
Either 9th December. Whatever you want.
That's my application for restitution before the consumer execution proceedings in consumer court rejected, holding that I have only filed a memo and not an IA with liberty without being influenced by
The
previous.
petitioner is before this court seeking the following prayer. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the proceedings before the consumer forum is rejected on the score that he has not filed an affidavit.
Application and only filed a memo.
Application. Not filed an application. In place of?
ಅದು restitution ಗೆ application ಹಾಕೋ ಬದಲಿ ಮೆಮೊ ಹಾಕಿದಾರೆ ಬದಲೇ.
Oh, ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? Is it turned down on the score that there is no application filed seeking restitution, but only a memo is filed. The petitioner thus files a memo seeking to withdraw the petition. The memo reads as follows. In the light of the memo so filed, petitioner is reserved liberty to file an application and seek the remedy that he had sought for through a memo.
Please.
Yes, ordered
Without
accordingly.
being let it be considered without being influenced by observation.
It is needless to observe that the consumer forum would not be influenced by its earlier order to consider the subject proceeding on its merit. Yes.
73, AD Nada.
Humble submission, my lords. In serial number 71, the interim order may please be extended.
That will be extended.
Lords, I'm a vendor and I have stalls of chats and snacks in.
Office objection overruled. Monday, fresh matters. Next.
My lords, may I request a precipitative action from the Commissioner of Health and Department, my lords. He's making an effort to close. Sorry, my lords.
You want precipitative action?
No, my lords. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, my lords.
ಬರ್ಲಿ Monday, fresh matters. Yes, next.
Please.
74, Prashant Iskandar.
Please, my lords. The respondents have acquired, my lord, 1 acre 13 guntas of the land. Please.
Admit ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Early IA 1 of 2025 seeking early hearing stands rejected post preliminary hearing on 2nd.
Land is acquired, my lord. They have not paid. Please.
Preliminary.
Please.
Admit ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ early hearing ಬರೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. Yes. ಕಣ್ಣೂರು ಸರ್ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ?
77.
ಅದೇನಾ?
74.
Seventy 77.
Please, Your Lordship. Filed the petition for recalling the order dated 18/12/23, Your Lordship.
Recalling the order ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
As a status quo order ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. There are two parallel roads, Your Lordship. One road is marked as ABCD.
ABCD?
Mark ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ABCD. That is the parallel adjacent to the petitioners and respondents land, Your Lordship.
EFGH ಯಾವುದು?
Your Lordship.
EFGH ಯಾವುದು?
MNOP, ABCD.
MNOP. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು?
ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು MNOP ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದು ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ರೋಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. But now
matter, yes.
Lord, this is section 68 of Karnataka Land Revenue Act where the DC has passed the order.
Stay ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಇದೆ, status quo ಇದೆ.
Lordship, now we
This
are
is
not
second round. Where in
on Wednesday next.
Lordship, there is urgency, Your Lordship.
Why?
The sugarcane was growth, Your Lordship.
2 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ urgency ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಸಣ್ಣ ಬೆಳೆ ಬೆಳೀತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅವರು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
2023 ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅವಾಗಿಂದ urgency ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, now the ready to harvesting, Your Lordship.
Harvest.
Around 300 acres, Your Lordship.
List on Tuesday. fresh matters.
78 your
Interim
worship,
order
support.
kindly be extended.
Interim order subsisting will continue. Yes. Kodi. 70. IA 1 of 2025 seeing early hearing stands rejected. Less the matter in preliminary hearing on 4th. Next.
79 Praveen Kumar, Chetan Manoli.
Here for impleading applicant.
Yen Chaitanya?
It's property belonging to me. They claim that milords, they are the leasehold, they got leasehold rights.
Urgency unta?
Nah,
List on 10th. Yes.
Please.
Next.
Serial number 80.
Prashant Kadadevar.
This is a matter pertaining to Lord appointment of Grama Sahayaka. In the last date of occasion, Lords have given direction to the state government to verify whether there is any vacancy in the adjacent village.
Yes,
Lord, I
madam.
have verified, Lord, ascertained.
Yeah.
Please.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟೆಡ್ ಯು ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ
ಅವರೇನು
ವೇಕೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಯು
ಕೇಳಿ
ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್
ಇದು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಯು ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್
Monday fresh matters.
ಏನಿದೆ ಸರ್ one submission kindly
ಆ ಮೆಮೋ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿ ಮಂಡೇ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
please macho
81 Vidashikar
Both
Dharwad.
Here for the respondent.
80?
81, my lord.
Yes, madam.
Lord, I appear for the respondent institution, my lord. On 24/7/2024, my lord, he has obtained an ex parte stay order, my lord, regarding the transfer of the employee, my lord. This employee has been dealing with the accounts department, my lord, last few years. And there have been some objections with regard to the misappropriation of the accounts, my lord, wherein her services are very much essential. So that is the reason that she was transferred to Bidar, my lord. But now she has obtained a stay order, my lord. And last,
contrary to guidelines ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ, in the interest of the university ಅಂತಿದೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ she has admitted.
Interim order ಅಲ್ಲಿ contrary to guideline number 5 ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು.
Guideline number 5 is in the interest of the university, in the interest of the institution ಅಂತಿದೆ.
ಅದ ಇರೋದು guideline.
Please, my lord.
Yes, list the matter tomorrow in the fresh matters list.
Please.
Yes.
82
Interim order subsisting will continue to the next.
Petitioner, madam. Appear for petitioner, madam. This is matter regarding
proposal.
Yes, madam. Matter regarding regularization. Matter regarding regularization, matter, madam. Last week.
Regularization.
Yes, madam. Last week, your lordship directed dispose the same matter, identical matter, my lord, on 18th November, madam. Yes, madam. Number 1310.
Continuation of work, your lordship.
Oh, continuity of service.
My lord.
No continuation.
No,
Continuation
my
is
lord.
not there. He was terminated.
Wait, sir.
In 84, your lordship, he was terminated.
Terminated when?
84, your lordship.
Labor
And
court?
Labor court has allowed and directed to reinstate, your lordship. That is my submission.
Reinstate 50% that way.
Number ಕೊಡಿ.
Yes, madam. WP number 1032227 of 2024, madam.
Same order.
Same order, madam. But my lord, petitioner is retired on 2023, madam.
Dates and events on synopsis ಹಾಕಿ. Yes.
Yes, madam. Retired on 39/2023.
Yes, next.
Okay.
Early hearing rejected. List on Tuesday in regularization, huh?
Yes, madam. There is a cover.
Tuesday in fresh matters list. Yes.
Covered by judgment.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ Tuesday. Yes. ಈ early hearing ಹಾಕದ್ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ interlocutory ಒಂದು ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ.
84 MS Harvey.
Anganwadi worker, your lordship, this is the case. As per the notification, your lordship, in the year 2017, your lordship, seventh pass ಆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ helper ಗೆ. And subsequently, your lordship, after completion of 7 years experience, she has been promoted as a
worker.
That is, they have challenged, your lordship.
Who are our
villager? Villager of Marur village.
About locus?
Locus ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, what they are telling is, your lordship, PUC ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು for Anganwadi worker. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. But as per the guidelines
List
in the
tomorrow
year.
in fresh matters list. Yes, we'll close it tomorrow.
85, Harish Maigu.
My lords, husband petition, my lords, challenging
Husband
the
petition,
challenging the interim maintenance award awarded by the family member.
how much?
10,000 was awarded and I have granted an interim order of this honorable court for rupees 4,000.
4,000.
Please, my lords.
ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದಾರಾ?
Two children, one is disabled ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹಾ.
Two children are there.
ನೀವು ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ?
Announcement ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ?
In the previous occasion, my lordship has been ordered that to go to mediation and settle the matter, my lords. And I am ready to take back my wife and my children, my lords.
They are not
Why?
ready.
Even in Karwar, I have said the same, my lords.
ಕಾರವಾರ?
Mediation in Karwar Mediation Center.
Two times ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಬೇಡ. Two times ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So again, third time is.
This time, I
Husband's habits won't change.
But my lords, this time I have evidently said that I had take back my children. Since when my child is disabled, my lords,
ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
clear ಇದೆ my lords.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Up to date, my lords.
ಈ interim order ಅಲ್ಲೇ there is direction.
Nothing covered Supreme Court. ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಈಗ?
I am running one small kiran shop, my lords.
Our wholesale business ಇದೆ, GST
my
registration
lords.
ಇದೆ, everything is there.
I am running a kiran shop, my lords.
ನೀವು ಅದು ಹೇಳೋಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವೈಫ್ ನೋಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್
My lords, kindly, I am ready to take back, my lords.
ಬರೀ 4,000ಕ್ಕೆ
Since my lords, one of my child is a disabled person, that child needs a care of father is also.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. 25,000 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ.
I am ready, my
ರೆಡಿಯಾ?
I am ready to take, my lords, I am ready to take back, my lords, to my home.
List tomorrow, fresh matters. Yes, we'll dispose it tomorrow.
86, SK Hiremat.
Vacating interim order.
Spam for the petitioner.
Report number 21 and 25.
Petitioner.
Please, Your Lordship.
Madam.
Your Lordship, Lok Adalat order, Your Lordship, I am not signatory to the compromise petition, Your Lordship, at page number 35.
ಯಾವತ್ತಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ?
2017.
17.
Petition?
2024.
24, Your Lordship. When, please, Your Lordship. Suit for partition, Your Lordship. Respondents have filed a suit for partition against petitioner and respond number 3, Your Lordship. It is my contention, Your Lordship, respond number 3, who is claiming as my stepmother, Your Lordship. She is not a wife of my father, Your Lordship. It is my contention.
Judicial determination?
Please.
Judicial determination that she is the wife? ಬೇರೆ ಕೇಸ್ ಏನಾರು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
There is no dispute regarding relation.
Dispute ಇಲ್ವಾ?
There is no regarding relationship. Legitimate share is, petitioner share is allotted. He has got 122.1 share as per the mutation is effected. Thereafter subdivision has taken place. They are in respect to position. They are obstructing unnecessarily our position by getting interim order.
Your Lordship, he is in the possession of the property, Your Lordship. He is enjoying. And earlier also, Your Lordship, there was a property, house property was there. They have sold that property and they have taken the share, Your Lordship. But this is the only property which is left to the petitioner, Your Lordship. There is no other property and this is the only source of income for the petitioner and his family, Your Lordship.
ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Their sisters are settled, Your Lordship, but then also they have everything, but idu beku anta avrge.
Legitimate shares are allotted.
Legitimate share, I am not disputing, Your Lordship, insofar as petitioner respond number 1 and 2, Your Lordship. Sisters are
Subdivision has made,
concerned.
he has no objection any time in contact time.
Your Lordship, as
ಇರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ರೆಡಿ ಇರಿ. Tuesday time ಆಯ್ತು.
please, Your Lordship.
We'll take it on Tuesday. Same stage.
Please.
87, Arunal Lelopan.
Wait, Sridhar Prabhu sir waiting still. Oh, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಇದೆಯಾ?
87 may I seek on December 2nd, my lords.
87? Yes, list on, then dispensation. What's the matter in preliminary hearing? Next. 88.
Mantesh Hiremat.
This, my lord, the final decree proceedings is stayed, my lord. I appear for, my lord, the petitioner before the final decree proceedings.
FDP stay ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Stay agide. My lord, the commissioner was appointed, ADLR was appointed.
It is not my order. Oh, yes.
To demarcate the property.
GM CPC ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು?
It has to come in the GMCPC, my lord.
Registry to post the matter before the bench having roster as what is called in question is dismissal of an application in FDP.
Lord, FDP 32 of 2023.
FDP 32 of 2023, the counsel for the petitioner submits the matter is, the FDP proceedings have been stalled due to the interim order. Therefore, list this matter day after tomorrow.
Please.
Agata?
Please.
Before the bench having roster.
Please.
89 Ravi Hegde, Shikumar S. Badwadgi.
Please.
Internal transfer,
ಅಲ್ಲ
divisional,
ಇಲ್ಲ KPTCL
KPTCL ಇದು.
ಹೌದು has come.
Vacating stay ಇದೆ.
Vacating stay.
List on 11th December.
Please.
Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date.
Please.
91 Sridhar Prabhu.
Issue, my lord, lordships recollects the right of way to the factory, my lord. In fact, I was granted that right when, my lord, the 1970.
I told you section 27.
Please, my lord, that's 27 I checked, my lord. The concerns penalties 11 to 15 is what, my lord, lordships have.
ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ಹೌದು, that's correct. I found out that, my lord, lordships may see the Forest Act.
Forest Act ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಒಂದು.
Please, my lord, must be, my lord, the Central Act or some other act.
Central Act.
This is Karnataka Forest Act. Therefore, my lord, yes. And lordships will see, my lord, that the right of way is not in dispute. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಕಣ್ಣಳತೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು 150 ಅಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಇವ್ರೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಅಳೆದಿದೀವಿ, ಆ ಕಣ್ಣಳತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So therefore, my lord, they are saying from 61 onwards, I am in enjoyment. I constructed the road.
Government ಕಣ್ಣಳತೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದು. As far as the eye goes, yes, forest goes.
Filed objections.
ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ನೋಟಿಸ್.
So
ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes,
just now.
It is already
just now.
Just now.
I am facing difficulty, my lord, for this reason, because your lordships have stayed this. Now they are raking up other matters. Unless this attains penalty, this is a very simple matter, my lord, where 1961
ಮತ್ತೆ
onwards.
ಯಾವತ್ತು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Whenever your lordships.
ಬುಧವಾರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
Second, my lord.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? ಥರ್ಡ್.
Second, my lord, if you are.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಎಸ್.
Great, but this very simple. This
ಆಯ್ತು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್.
the interim order.
Second in the fresh matters list, interim order subsisting will continue to the next.
Great.
Short matter ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
Yes.
Number 93 Shivraj K. Mudhol.
Oh, preliminary hearing, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡೇಟ್ 10th ಹಾಕೋಣ.
Please.
ಮುದೋಳ್ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲ all 10th will take it on 10th.
Please.
All preliminary hearing matters will take on 10th.
Serial number 1.
Serial number 120.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ತುಂಬಾ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇರೋದಿದೆಯಾ?
122 malo.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪೇಜ್ ವೈಸ್ ಕರಿತೀನಿ, ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ. I'll take that, wait, yes. Before the wind goes away, I will take it, yes.
Serial number 103.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪೇಜ್ ವೈಸ್ ಕರೀತಿ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ 10th, 11th, 12th 3 ದಿನ ಬಸ್. ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಪೇಜ್ ವೈಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾ,
Page number 19, 93 and 94.
ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ?
95 to 104.
Well, it's 103.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, 103 ಏನು ಚೇತನ್?
It is a case of regularization, my lords.
List on Tuesday in fresh matters.
Please.
98 ಏನು?
Covered by judgment, my lordship, but
ಏನು ಹನುಮಂತ? ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರೈಸೇಷನ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, recruitment challenge ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ಅದು ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್?
One time, my lordship, this honorable court, division bench of this honorable court, my lordship, stated that is board of apartment ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು, we'll take it on 10th.
Oh, bless, lordship.
99, my lords. May I seek on first 99?
ಏನದು?
Cooperative society matter. My friend is appearing for petitioner.
Oh, this recovery, the
matter.
sale.
Oh.
99, 10th fresh matters, yes. Next. Interim order will continue.
107 to 114.
110, my lord.
Huh?
110.
110.
Please, my lord.
PDS, sir.
PDS, my lord. Matter, I was earlier distributing the fair price, my lords. It is now transferred to some other person without any inquiry, without any allegation, my lords.
Specific date ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದು 10th, 11th and 12th 3 ದಿನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
There is
Specific
no
date ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
There is no allegation against me. Even then they have transferred it. I have been doing it since last 20 years, my lords.
ಸರಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಈಗ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Stay ಇಲ್ಲ.
10th.
Fresh
So
matter.
serial number 114, my lords, it's a work matter, my lords, the senior.
114 ಅಲ್ಲ.
Senior is
List
appearing
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
through
114.
VC, but
114 ಏನು?
it's a work matter, my lords. Pleadings are complete, my lords, the senior is appearing through VC. At this moment, it may not be possible, my lords.
ಇವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
My lords, Tuesday if possible.
Not Tuesday, 10th.
Fresh matters, my lords.
Fresh
If I may please request, please, very great.
10th ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Very grateful.
116 to 125.
My lord, 122, my lord.
120? 122, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. 119 ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿ? ಹಾ. Yes, CJIT. You have challenged preliminary issue, covered. ಎಲ್ಲ issue ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ. Yes, 119 list on Monday in fresh matters list. Yes.
122, my lord. Selection of teachers is not
Regularization.
Service weightage of service not considered. The
11th.
onward judgment.
11th.
Fresh matters.
Yes.
My lord, serial number 125, my lords. My lord, salaries are not getting paid.
Salary not paid?
Please, UGC scale professors ಗೆ since 9 months they are working without salary.
Judgment ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ.
I request for tomorrow in the fresh matters, my lords.
Salary?
Andre superannuation period is extended from 62 to 65 by virtue of the interim order granted by the Supreme Court, my lords. But 62 in the ಏನ್ work ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, they are not getting salary.
All right, give it. Yes.
Let's.
Monday fresh matters.
Please, my lords. Great.
I was just thinking 3 years extension ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ?
ಹೌದು.
Anyway, salary has to be paid. ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಗೀತು. ಇಲ್ಲರೆ ಬೇಗಾರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಅವರು. Minimum salary, regular salary, madam.
But they are taking the same quality of the work before as usual.
Yes, yes.
126 to 133.
128, my lords. CMP appointment of arbitrator, third unrepresented respondent.
120?
128. CMP.
CMP. Monday fresh matters.
Please, obliged.
Yes. 129, 130 interim order ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೀಲೇಂದ್ರ ಗುಂಡೆ. Yes.
135 to 143.
143.
135 ಏನು?
Property has come to sale. Order sheet ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆಯ್ತು, ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ.
138 regularization impact.
Tuesday fresh matters. Regularization ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದಿನ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೋಣ.
Interim order may kind of.
Interim order will continue.
143, my lord. Any date.
143.
My lords, I am appearing for the petitioners in 143, my lords.
143, yeah. Varun Gowda.
Yes, my lords. They have, my lords, they have not filed their objections. Three occasions they have taken time. My lordships may direct them to file objections and fix a date, my lords.
ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಅಗೇನ್ ಇದು 11th ಹಾಕಿ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಬೈ ದೆನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 143 ಗೆ.
Grateful.
Yes, next.
144 to 155.
11th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Yes.
149, my lord.
149,
my lord. Appointment of Anganwadi worker is challenged, my lord. The respond number 9 as
Tuesday fresh matters ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲೇ ಮಗುಡ್ಬೇಕು. 10 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 140? ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ 61 ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಲೀವ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ಡ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ. ಟುಮಾರೋ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್.
Serial number 150.
Judgment ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸರಿ. ಎಸ್.
My lord, serial number 155. 155. There are 5 writ petitions, my lords, pending before this honorable court.
What is this?
My lord, this is matter pertaining to work. There are 2 orders passed by this honorable court, my lords, in 2 different petitions. My lords, one is contradicting another order, my lords.
10th. Yes.
Please, my lords, I request, my lord, there is no committee at present, my lord.
10th. Yes.
In the fresh matters, please. Grateful.
151, my lord.
150?
1. But madam, seeking madam.
ಅಜ್ಜನ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು? ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನೆನ್ನೆದು ಅದೇ ತರದ್ದು.
But the new society applied for membership.
ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ನೇಮ್.
Same name.
ಆಯ್ತು. Tuesday. Yes.
Fresh matter.
Fresh matter.
My lord, serial number 154.
154?
Regularization, my lord. Since 40 years, I'm on temporary status.
40 years?
Yes, my lord. And my juniors have been regularized. I have not been.
ಇನ್ನು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, my lord.
40 ವರ್ಷ?
Yes, my lord.
ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ರಿ?
I got joined in the age of 20 only, my lord.
21. ಮತ್ತೆ 61 ಆಯ್ತು. ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. ಇನ್ನು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
By 18 or so, I have got regularized.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಲೇಬರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. Yes.
About 40 years, I have completed service. It may be taken out tomorrow or day after.
Tomorrow? No.
Tomorrow or day after.
We'll list it on Tuesday, fresh matters, regularization.
Tuesday, not possible. Any week, any day.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ತಾನೇ ಬಾರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ದುಡ್ಡು, ಈಗ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೀವು?
I've got a matter in Bangalore.
All right, yes.
Second week of December.
Second week of December?
Yes.
Yes, second week of December.
Specific date.
Yes, list on 25th December.
10th or 11th. 10, 11, any.
11th December, all right.
Fresh matter.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ಬ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಈಗಲೇ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ.
Interim order may kindly be.
Interim order subsisting will continue to the next.
Obliged.
Yes.
130, my lords. All petition, 450 and 457 application came to.
130, yeah? You missed the train. One ನಿಮಿಷ ತಾಳಿ. Next.
156 to 162.
160, voting rights matter, covered matter.
Dispose ಮಾಡೋಣ?
Adil.
ಶ್ಯಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
ಹೌದು.
160. 160. Yes, ಶ್ಯಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
Please.
With your lordship's kind permission, serial number 143, your lordships, the petitioner had just mentioned the matter, 143.1.
143, is it?
Yes, your lordships. I approve the respondent number 5. We have been served in 143.1, your lordships. In 143, we have not been served with a copy of the papers. Notice has not been issued.
Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner to serve on, what's your name, madam?
Prerna Ponappa.
So and so. Appearing for?
Respondent number 5, your lordship.
Managing Director, ArcelorMittal.
I appear for
All right,
respondent number 143.
Learned counsel so and so representing the fifth respondent. Madam, your name is not shown. Registry to print the name of, are you appearing or your office? What is it?
My office, my colleague in Dharwad will appear, Mr. Shiva.
What's his name?
Mr. Shiva.
Shiva?
Yes, yes, your lordship.
Dharwadalli Shiva.
Shiva Shirur.
Shiva.
Mr. Shiva Shirur.
Shiva Shirur.
Shiva Shirur, all right. Learned counsel registry to print the name of Shiva Shirur as appearing for the fifth respondent. The learned counsel representing Shiva Shirur submits that the copy in 143.1 has not been served upon the respondent. Petitioner to serve set of papers.
Sorry, your lordship. 143 is not served. 143.1 we have received, your lordship.
Notice not ordered of R5. Why?
In 140, in serial number 143, notice was not issued in that.
One moment. Learned counsel Shiva Shirur accepts notice for the fifth respondent, 143 only. Fifth respondent, registry to print the name of so and so is appearing for the fifth respondent, the petitioner to serve set of papers upon the aforesaid counsel forthwith. Yes. 143 1.1. Yes. Next.
Great.
My lords. 163, my lords. That is dictating orders. Lordship. The court building, my lords. Your lordship may reserve it, my lords. However, we have.
Hey, ಸುಮ್ಮನಿರಪ್ಪ. ಮುಗಿದ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಅದು ಇಟ್ಟರದೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
Interim order.
ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Interim order.
160? I'll pass, madam. Next week. ಈಗ ಇರೋದು ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Interim order is to be extended.
Interim orders will continue.
Lords.
I'll post it myself, madam. When Tuesday or Wednesday will.
Submission, serial number 8, my lord, it is pass over, my lord.
Serial number?
8, my lord.
8, my lord.
For respondent.
ಏನದು pass over?
For crushing the proceedings.
Promise to marry, my lord.
Promise to marry.
Promise to marry. JD Patil ಯಾರು?
Please, ma.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, my lord. Total number 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ head up ಆಗಿದೆ.
Petitioner ಯಾರು?
I am for the petition.
ಏನು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? You promise to marry her now? ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Even though I am ready to marry, my lord.
You are ready to marry?
Please, ma.
No, lord.
You are not ready?
Not ready.
ಯಾಕೆ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾರ ಬೇರೆ?
No, my lord, not ready.
Why?
No, lord, he is unmarried, my lord.
No, she is also unmarried.
In fact, my lord.
Both of you marry.
Not possible.
ಕೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಬೇಜಾರ? ಎಲ್ಲ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Please, man.
ಎಲ್ಲ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕೇಸ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ.
Lord, it is covered by decision of.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. She is ready to marry now.
No, my lord, he is not ready to marry.
Why? 3 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ.
Please.
We'll dismiss the petition. Face trial.
Please.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
Lordship has my lord passed the judgment, my lord, on the same question of law, my lord.
I know, sir. I passed at least 50 orders
Please, my lord.
on promise to marry.
Is
ಯಾಕೆ
that
ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ?
my lord?
ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಸ್
He
ಹಾಕಿ
refused to marry me, my lord. He is refused to marry. Then only I filed the complaint, my lord.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ? Then which man will take? ನೀವು ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ.
Now I will withdraw the case, my lord.
ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ? ಕೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೇವರ್. 3 ವರ್ಷನಾ?
3 ವರ್ಷ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
He is a dentist, my lord.
Petitioner dentist.
ನೀವು ಪೇಷಂಟಾ?
No, my lord, attender, my lord.
Attender. He took me as an attender, my lord, in his clinic, my lord.
She will attend to you, sir. Marry her.
Not possible.
All right.
So far as my lord complaint and 164 statement is totally different, my lord. She has mentioned that, my lord, I have taken I have consumed the poison and.
You have consumed poison?
No, my lord.
He has consumed.
She has consumed the poison, but in the doctor report is totally different, my lord. She has admitted in the hospital for suffering from some allergies and. Allergy ಅಂತ.
3
Because
times.
dental care ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆನೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತು, ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಲಾ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಡೆಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು. ಇದು ಅಟೆಂಡರ್ ಡೆಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಅಲೋಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಒಂದು 15 days ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿವೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ.
My lords.
Seal number 13.
112, my lords, is a regularization matter.
Your regularization Tuesday, fresh matters.
Please.
Before going regularization, we'll finish everything and go.
Please.
Serial number 13, Mallam. Wherein the fifth
He has
respondent
attended the interview, Your Lordship. I would I would show the documents, Your Lordship. I submitted the
attend
documents.
ಮಾಡಿದಾರೋ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ.
Mallam.
ಮಾಡಿದಾರಂತಾರ.
Illa, what has happened, my lord? If my lord may peruse the ink page number 24, wherein his application itself has been rejected.
Gram Sahayak,
Sahayak, correct.
His application was rejected. His scrutiny, his application.
Tuesday, fresh matters.
He is the resident of the various.
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಗೂ ಏನ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ? ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Number 28. Santosh Kumar.
ಹಾ, ವಿಂಡ್ ಮಿಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಎಸ್.
Senior is all right.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ್ ದನ್ ವಿಂಡ್ ಮಿಲ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಇಸ್ ವೈಟಿಂಗ್? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ದೇನು? ಅದೇನು ಅವ್ರ ವಿಂಡ್ ಬರೋದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
5/11/2019 ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ my property is acquired 20 guntas of land for burial
ground.
Not on 5/11/2019 this honorable court directed, your lordship may kindly see the order sheet. 5/11/2019 directed to invoke urgency clause 5/11/2019. Kindly see 29.
Respondent ಯಾರು?
29/2024.
ಯಾರು?
Government.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಸರ್? 6 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದೆ.
29/24 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 135.
ಅದು ಯಾರು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪಾಸ್?
No, my property is bought for sale, my lord, because I had obtained loan. If I get this amount, I can pay it to the bank.
ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಅದು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 50% ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದೆ.
ಕೊಡಿ.
WPC
ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
Please, I'll give.
2 fresh matters on Monday.
Please.
ಕೊಡಿ.
Please.
28, my lord.
6 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇದಿರಲ್ಲ. There is already an order to commence acquisition
I'll
proceedings.
verify.
Office may direct to show my name, I undertake to.
ನೀವ್ ಯಾರು?
ನಾವು ವಕಾಲತ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Registry to print the name of Sadiq Godwala is appearing for the petitioner in place of G.I. Gachinmat. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇ 19 ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ.
ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಏನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 6 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ.
ನೆನ್ನೆ ವಕಾಲತ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ. ಅಂಡ್ 19 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಒಂದ್ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ವಾಸ್.
ಆಮೇಲೆ 4 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ.
24 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ವರ್ಷ.
4 days to move a matter ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Please.
My lord.
Wind will matter, my lord. May I request tomorrow?
Why?
Or his personal,
Wind
he's appearing in some other matter.
All right.
May I request in fresh matters tomorrow?
Yes, Vidyavati madam, ಏನು?
Serial number 152, my lord. I appear for petitioner. I am seeking a mandamus, my lord, direction to reinstate me and also other facilities, my lord.
Mandamus ಅಲ್ಲಿ reinstatement ಏನ್ ಪೆನಾಲ್ಟಿ ಇಂಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
Unauthorized absent ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು they have disciplinary enquiry has done and dismissed from the service.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು mandamus ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ reinstatement ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಕ ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಬರ್ಲಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ, ವಿಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್.
Other facilities also.
ನಾಳೆಗೆ in fresh matters.
Your lordship on date may kindly. Because another 1 year he will going to retire.
Please, interim order extend. That is the difficulty. Otherwise, I would not authorize. That is the difficulty. That is why I meant.
Problem with Karwar.
Well, could it be taken up at 2:30 tomorrow, my lord, subject to lordship's convenience?
You remind me, I will take it at 2:30.
Yes, please.
Grateful, deeply
But all of you be here at 2:30.
Yes. Highly obliged.
Serial number 132.
ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಅನಂತ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಎಸ್
Lord, serial number 132. I appear for petitioner. Lord, he has applied, my lord, for the post, reserved post. Lord, since, my lord, there is a earlier writ petition order to direction. Lord, the respondent number 1 has been appointed. 2013 matter.
ಅದು ನಂಬರ್
Serial number 132. May I request any date, my lord, in the next week in the fresh
on
matter?
Wednesday in fresh matters.
Please.
My lord, serial number 130, 451, 457 application came to be rejected. My lords have quashed the proceedings against the petitioners, confirmed by the apex court also. My lord's trial court has dismissed for
ಯಾವುದು ನಾನು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು?
ಅದು ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಎಸ್.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಫ್ರೀಸ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ 2021.
ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? IOML ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
I'll verify and day after.
Verify. Monday fresh matters.
Please.
Why then you tell the AG?
ಅದು 482 fresh matters ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Admission, all right.
Further hearing ಅಂತ my lords.
ಇರ್ಲಿ, AG ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡಿಯೋದು ಏನು ಅಂತ. Look into it.
Yes.
Either I will summon that man and tell him. Last time I think I passed some order of that kind.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್.
ಒಂದು promise to marry, attend. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
one clarification in that, my lords, freezing of the order passed by the sessions court, trial court, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ?
ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್
How can court direct freezing? Anyway, let's see.
Further
First December 1st will take, sir.
Please, much.
Please, your lordships. In serial number 155, lords, one additional submission order. There is an interim order, my lord.
That will continue. Wherever interim order is there, that will continue.
Since, my lord, in this matter, there are orders, my lords, in contradiction to each other, my lord.
Correct. ಅದು ಹೇಳಾಯ್ತು. That is registered.
There is no committee as such for the management.
That also you have told.
Please, gratefully.
We're repeating it.
Gratefully, lordship.
Yes, sir. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನು 45 minutes ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಲ್ದಿ ಮರೆಯಲ್ಲ.
Committee is automatically continued in view of general order.
ಅದು ನಿಮ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನಾ?
General order passed by the work board till January 26.
And
we'll see.
If there is a
Case. All will not survive for consultation.
And if there is a, my lord, caretaker appointed, my lord, then, my lord, they will not take a protection under that circular, please.